Truth gang gang. I am Mama Omega. And I'm always bringing that truth. 202 on the clock, 204, 206. What's up, Swisher, Swisher, Swisher? Thank you for joining. We're gonna wait on some tribe to get in here. 222 on the clock. That was one of our spirit numbers this morning. I'm so glad that you are with me. I'm so glad that you are with me. I'm glad that you're up. I didn't know if anybody was gonna be up. I don't know how long this song is. It's almost over. We're gonna let it play out. $2:55 on the clock. So I have my heater in the background. We are gonna pull some cards and everything on this particular person. So I was able to find the shady lawyer character in my life, and I'm going to go live and I'm going to expose this person due to the fact that I posted a video. So if you come across this video, there was a video posted probably like last week called The Dream I Had Last Night, right? And I was explaining to y'all that there was a lawyer that I grew up around when I was younger, okay? So they lived a house away, right? And then the police officer in the dream was her cousin, is her cousin in real life, right? So I told y'all at the end of that video, so I want y'all to go back and watch that video, that her cousin was the lawyer, right? And right after my mom T died, and if y'all are new here, my mom T, 404 on the clock, my mom T is my mother, but I was raised with her as my aunt, okay? I have solid hardcore evidence because, see, in the readings that have been coming out lately, they said Spirit was going to give answers. And I gave my spiritual thesis of what I thought it was in that video of the dream that I had last night, right? So y'all go check that video out, right? Let me know y'all can hear me all right, okay? 4:34 on the clock. So in that video I said, and y'all have to bear with me because this is my personal life, 4:44, right? But it's relevant and it's vindicating me. Like, it really is vindicating me. All right, so in that dream, I said what I thought that she had her involvement. I said I felt like she was the lawyer that was involved in the trust fund scam with my family, them knowing that I had a trust amount of money that was left to me from a family member or whatever, right? So I couldn't really pick apart why, you know, at the end of that dream and shit, she was there, or why I kept having visions of her and the cop, Alicia, right? Oh, well, Gomez. Well, y'all know her name now. But whatever, it doesn't really fucking matter. All these people finna be in prison. It really doesn't fucking matter. So this is really hard for me, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me. Let me just give out shade. And I got my rose and my lavender incense for aromatherapy to ground me while I speak on this, okay? 5:45 on the clock. We give our shade to the divine infinite all. We give our shade to our most beautiful and precious Santissima Morte. We also want to give our shade to Willis. We like to give our shade to all of our ancestors, angels, and guides, ascended masters, elder spirits, known and unknown, that mean as well. Ancestors, angels, and guides, I ask that you would help me to deliver this message today so that it is crystal clear to all ears that come across this message. Yeah. And I ask that you will ground me and help me to articulate my words and all of that. Asha, Asha, Asha. All right, y'all. So I'm just sitting here. I had taken a spiritual shower Spirit was like, get in the shower, get in the shower, get in the shower. We want you to do this little ritual. It's like a little baking soda scrub I had did all over me. And I usually get a lot of downloads and shit when I'm in the shower as well. I got some downloads for y'all as well, but Willis is actually leading this reading, so y'all can give Willis Asha if y'all like. But y'all just call him Will, all right? But I got some downloads, and I did speak with Willis before the downloads, and I asked him, did he want me to take these downloads with this reading here, or this information that we're about to, this evidence, these facts that we're about to present to the world here? And he said, yeah, so we're going to get to them after I get to the hardcore evidence and the hardcore proof. So in that video, I said that I felt like she was the lawyer that was hired by my family, right? I don't know if I told y'all in that video that that family is related to Kimora Lee Simmons, okay? Baby fat, look, yeah, her, yeah, right? So as I was growing up, and this is just proof that I am actually a fucking industry fucking child, and they was gonna sacrifice the shit out my ass, okay? I don't want my computer to die. But I'm smoking my shit through this one, y'all, because honestly, it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet, okay? It's bittersweet for me right now. Because I asked the Spirit to provide divine revelations and answers to my situation, and that they have done. And for that, I have given them Asha. Like I said, I felt like she was the lawyer that my family had hired to handle the trust fund and to speak on their behalf, because she knew me personally or whatever. And that's a real easy, you know, connection for my family to make, being as when I was a child, she was in law school. And I just want to say to you, Venus, because I know that you watch my videos. That was my heater kicking on in the background. So I want to say to you, Venus, that, you know, when I was a child, she was already in law school and shit like that. And I just want to say that I looked up to you, okay? I just want to say that I looked up to you. You were a black woman who made it in the justice field. Even though I didn't want to go to college and do all those other things that everybody else in the neighborhood was doing, I seen that in her, and I really did look up. I really did look up to her, okay? It took me back to my childhood, too, because I was sitting here. This might be long, y'all. But I was sitting here, and as I'm getting the information and downloads all day, I'm writing them down and shit as they come to me. All right, I'm writing them down as they come to me and shit. Out of nowhere, Spirit said, Google Venus. And I said, all right. And I probably procrastinated for maybe like 30 minutes or something. I don't know what the fuck I was doing, but I was like, all right, I'm going to do it. But I didn't do it exactly right then and there. And then when I came back to sit down in my spot in my area over here, they told me to Google her or whatever, right? Keep in mind that my mom T, which was the family member of mine that died due to the black magic, they was trying to get me, but they couldn't get me because I'm highly fucking protected and highly fucking ranked amongst the spirits. So she ended up sacrificing me. Nobody ever told me this was sacrificing herself for me, okay? Nobody ever told me that this was my birth mother, right? It just, like I said, it's bittersweet for me because when they say the entire community came up against somebody, my entire fucking community, everybody, y'all seen the Truman Show? Everybody that I've ever known in my entire life played a hand in my murder plot. Okay, like it's crazy. It's crazy, right? So I said that she was hired in the trust fund account and all that other stuff. Let's just start getting to the facts, because like I said, this is a deep situation for me. And it also is confirmation. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's bittersweet. That's the sweet part about it, because then I know I ain't hearing shit. Like I said, the motherfucker can't tell me I'm crazy about shit. I'm not seeing shit. Everything that I'm experiencing in this reality is 110% facts in this bitch. Okay? It just is what it is, okay? And I say shit, and then it be what the fuck I say. It just is what it is, because the spirits be talking to me, right? So let's take a look. We're not gonna start with that one. Let's start with where we at? Okay, so just for references, this is Venus. Let's click on this picture. And what I'm about to say is heavy accusations, right? And I'm well aware of the law, right? I'm well aware of the law. So I know that if there's any like defamation or anything like that, then, you know, you can just meet me in the courtroom, Miss Venus. All right. That's her. Now, I don't have any pictures of her when she was younger, but when I tell you this girl was beautiful, like I looked up to this girl. This is a result of the fucking beauty spells they was doing on me, y'all. Look at her. Like, what the fuck? When I seen her, I was in shock. I was like, what the fuck happened to this girl? She was so pretty. But Spirit say it's the magic. She's involved in this community of people who have been doing this fucking graveyard dirt magic shit. All right, so we got solid evidence. I wouldn't go on camera without solid evidence, okay? So, and this is just for reference. Like, if you don't know who Kimora Lee Simmons is, this is Kimora Lee Simmons, Richard Simmons, and his wife, right? So I grew up next to her brother. I'm sorry. I don't want to be on camera. I'm still cute, but I don't want to be on camera. That's why I got my shit like the other way. So how the fuck do I turn it around? Okay. Yeah, I don't want to be on camera. I'm still cute, though. But anyways, so I grew up next door to her, right? And her brother, his name is Jarvis, right? And the police officer and this lawyer is her cousin. Okay? It's her cousin. And I remember growing up, and I remember like Mac 10 and shit being at the house next door and shit like that, because, you know, they were, you know, industry shit was going on, right? And I grew up in St. Louis, and it's not like, you know, like, I don't know why any of this didn't click for me, okay? But anyways, I remember them talking about how, like, she didn't fuck with the family, and once she blew up, and boop, 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 and all the other shit. I'm just gonna go ahead and say what the spirit says. She got away, okay? She got away. These are facts, and it can be fact-checked, okay? This is my neighbor's cousin, like the lady Rose that I was telling you about. She actually looks just like Rose. I'm not lying. Now that I look at her, the lady Rose that I was telling y'all about, that's her grandma. All right, but let's go ahead. This day grandma. Why is this all on images? I don't want to see no fucking images. Okay, so this is her AVO, the lawyer directory. Okay, this is what she specializes in: criminal defense, family, and litigations. Right. Let's take a look at her reviews. Right? And I said that there was a lawyer that lied. This is her star. And this is why they hate me, because my business, she's been in business for like 23 years, right? 23 years in business, right? My shit 5-star rated out of 5-star. Look at her reviews, man. Right? Let's look at this first. And I said she lied, right? I said she lied. They used her to lie in court, right? This is random people, right? June 7th, 2022. I hired Venus Harry to represent me in a court case. She took my deposit and agreed to represent me. I called and I texted her over 40 times to check on the status of my case. She never answered or returned my messages. When she does, she gives bogus excuses as to why she has to call you back. She has filed paperwork for the case, and on the date of the case, she just did not show up at all. Even though I called her several times for updates prior to the court date. I looked her up for reviews, and it seems as though this is her pattern. She takes your money, and I accused her of working with my family to steal my money. Okay? I've never looked her up to this day. I knew who she was. I grew up with this lady. I never looked her up until today. Okay? So now, let's continue, right? Because this is our book on Mincy. All right? What does it say right here? Yeah, she never shows up for court. She has already been reprimanded by the Missouri Bar Association in 2012 for misconduct and placed on probation, and she had to take classes. When I recently asked her, is she going to try my case and actually go to court, she didn't have an answer. So I said, well, can you refund my money so I can hire an attorney that will actually show up in court? And she said, you can bill me for the work that I've already done. And this is the person right here. She's saying, how can you bill me for work that, you know, you haven't done? You didn't even show up for the court date. Venus Harry is not a good attorney and not a woman of her word. I simply want my money back so I can hire a real attorney, excuse me, y'all, who is true and professional, because she is not. All right, that's 1 star, June 7, 2022. All right, This is in 2015 right here. Not so good. She missed one of my traffic cases on 2 different occasions. When trying to hire her on an assault case, she ignored her phone calls on 4 different occasions. All right. October 10th right here, 2015, unsatisfactory. After looking around for an attorney to represent me at a reasonable price. All of this is valid. So just, okay. Because my dream, I said that she was the lying lawyer. She was the one that was used in my situation, right? Okay. So after looking around for an attorney to represent me for a reasonable price, I hired her for legal representation, and I feel she did a very poor job. It took a long time for it to make it to trial stage of the process, and then communicating with her became absolutely difficult. I was told things about my case by her that I found out later by contacting the courts wasn't true. Okay? So again, there is somebody else that's saying that this person is a liar. She's a liar. So she stood in front of a judge, and I'm shocked at you, Venus, man. Venus, I'm shocked at you didn't believe that I deserve to live. I'm a child to you. I'm a baby to you. You watched me grow up as a child. I'm talking about 6, 7 years old. How could y'all do this to me? That's what I want to know. How could y'all do this shit to me? I'm a human. I don't give a fuck if you don't like me or not. I don't care. How could you think that money was more valuable than my life? I cannot believe that I looked up to you. As a child, I cannot believe it. I'm so disappointed, y'all, because, like I said, it's bittersweet. The bitter part is knowing that none of these people value me. None of these people saw a value over my life. But the sweet part is I'm psychic than a motherfucker, bitch. Okay? That is the sweet part. That's the fucking sweet part, that my connection with the spirit is real. I don't gotta have no proof, because spirit always will prove itself. And this, we're just looking at reviews. This ain't it, y'all. Okay? Anyways, let me gather myself. And I'm crying. This is not a sign of weakness or anything like that. It's like I said, it's bittersweet for me. I'm actually rejoicing within my soul, because bitch, I'm not crazy. The fuck? All you motherfuckers got me fucked up. Okay? I ain't crazy, bitch. These are people that don't even know me. You get what I'm saying? I don't know these fucking people. Anyways, let me hear my shit. It took me like 2 hours to even go live, y'all. This is why I'm live so late. You know what I'm saying? Because I have to sit and I have to process and I have to think through and put the pieces of the puzzle together. I have to give Asha to my spirits, because everything that they showed me and everything that they told me, it is here. It is true. Okay? All right, so it says, after looking around for an attorney to represent me at a reasonable price, I hired her for legal representation, and I feel she did a very poor job. It took a long time. Okay, whatever. We read that one already. Where it says, you know, she told her things about her case, and then she found out later by contacting the courts directly that it was not true. So she lied on somebody who hired her, okay? And then this person right here says, dishonest so-called lawyer lied about my case and how it would come out. So this is 3 people. I already won this case, Venus, and everybody involved, bitch. I already fucking won. I've already fucking won. Go online and Google ASHAISreal, Momma Omega. See, do you see 5 out of 5 stars since opening operation for 3-4 years? Never lost a star. See, do you see that shit? And this is why these motherfuckers hate me, because they went to college. They went to college. They worked their ass off to study and learn, but y'all had y'all eyes on the wrong prize. This is righteous anger, y'all. This is righteous anger. I don't feel bad for shit, for nothing. Okay? So I said that my momty, my birth mother, she died 2 months. She died in July. And then 2 months after that, let me go back. 2 months after that, right? Spirit, I thank you. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, this shit's so fucking amazing, man. September 21st, 2021. My mother, my birth mother, died in June or July. Yeah, it's coming up on it, right? September 21st, 2021. And I kept saying, look, this is before then. Where's my fucking shit at? Look, 2121. This is before the spirit even led me to this. I had wrote down today, 2121. My son, like, I was on a reading today, right? I have parental controls over my kids' devices so I can see everything that they doing, right? My son downloaded a game and it said Judgment Day, Angel of God. And then I kept seeing 2121. Look, there it go. There, it's right here. Let me move this over for you. Okay, let me move my camera because I got these cards right here. Just in case I gotta pull it. We are gonna pull some cards on this situation because, bitch, you was all up in my energy. Okay? So 2121. There it go right there. And this is just a game that my son downloaded. Judgment Day, Angel of God. That's the name of the son. Man, come on now. Come on now, Spirit. I can't tell y'all my son's name, but I'm sure y'all already heard it. But the one that did it was Hezekiah, a king, an angel of God, a chosen one. Okay? A master of music, the orchestra. Okay? Because that's who Hezekiah was in the Bible, right? Right. Okay? Anyways, Supreme Court case of Missouri, number SC 99, okay, 9911. In response, Venus v. Harvey, MBE, number sign 501955 is, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, y'all gotta bear with me, okay? And we got 5 people here too. So 5 is sudden change with haste. 0, back to 0. Okay, so like energy recycled, a death, a situation. 1, new beginning. 9, ending of a situation, and another quick change with haste here. Okay, this is the order, the petition of the Supreme Court of Missouri. Now this day, this court being sufficiently advised of concerning the premises, the complete record before the disciplinary hearing panel have been filed herein, and this cause have been fully briefed and argued. This court finds the respondent, Venus v. Harry, violated rules. These are the rules right here. It's a bunch of 4.11, okay, and the rules of professional conduct and should be disciplined. Upon considering these findings, previous decisions of this court, ABA standards for imposing lawyer discipline and aggravating and mitigating circumstances, this court suspends respondent's license indefinitely with no leave apply for reinstatement for the period of 2 years from the date of this order. Venus, listen to me, sweetie. Listen to me, sweetie. Listen to me real good. Before your suspension runs out, you will be in prison. Okay? You will be in fucking prison. All right? It is further ordered that the respondent, Venus v. Harvey, comply in all respects to the rule 5.27 procedure following a disbarment or suspension order. Free pursuant to the rule 5.19H in the amount of $1,000 payable to the clerk to the credit of the advisory committee. Cost tax to respondent. Right? Now let's take a look at what the fuck Venus had did here. Let's take a look at what Venus had did. I gotta line my shit back up, yeah. Yeah. Let's take a look. This is the first one, the first order. Competence. Okay, so she was ruled incompetent. Okay, so a lawyer shall provide competent representation to a client. Competent representation requires legal knowledge and skill thoroughness and preparation reasonably necessary for representation. Okay, so she was found guilty on being incompetence, legal knowledge and skill, and all of that. Okay, so let's just keep going, because I don't want y'all to feel like this is not going anywhere, because it's definitely going somewhere. All right, communication. You're supposed to keep the client reasonably informed about the status of the matter. I never knew, no one ever told me about my trust fund. Okay, she's supposed to do that promptly and comply with reasonable requests and information. But now this is the thing though. It appears that she did though, because she lied, my ex-husband lied, his new wife lied, and my adoptive mother, they all lied. So who they were having appear in court as me was my ex-husband, the killer couple, my ex-husband's current wife. Not me, not the illegal person, Leah Grubb. And I'm saying real names in this shit because if anybody have a fucking problem with what the fuck I'm saying, take me to court. You can't kill me now because this shit is on documentation now. So if you do kill me, I'm gonna hunt the fuck out your ass and you'll never get any rest. And I'm probably gonna come back and kill you. And I'm just going to be honest in spirit. Like, I'm going to come back and I'm not going to stop fucking with you until you on the other side. I'm going to yank your ass on the other side with me. Okay. And then two, because I'm documenting this and I'm making these allegations, you're going to be the first people that the courts look at. And then look, it said power off. And then my connection kind of went off for a second there, y'all. All right, spirit, Asha. Okay. So, she's supposed to consult the client about any relevant limitation on the lawyer's conduct when the lawyer knows the client expects assistance not permitted by the rules of professional conduct or law. She knows what I look like because she watched me grow up. So she knows what I look like. She knows that the person that she was in communication with, she knows that that person was not me. She knows it for facts. It was not me. Okay, let's go back because we're getting to the nitty gritty now. All right. What were the other charges against Venus? Trust, accounts, and property of others. Trust, accounts, and properties of others. I got 5 people. I need 5 likes. I'm not playing. Tell me I ain't psychic, bitch. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Motherfucker. Tell me. I don't know who the fuck you playing with. I told you I would chain you, bitch. I walk with God and it's legit. Yeah. For real. I don't have my money right now because they can't find me. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right the fuck here. Do y'all see that right there? Right after the death of my birth mother, this lawyer that the spirit was giving me visions and dreams about that I grew up with after I was finding out that they tried to fucking kill me. This person was involved in my murder plot. This is somebody who's supposed to uphold justice, uphold the fucking law. Fuck happened, Venus. And I'm also finna write my victim impact statement, okay? And I'ma date it, predate it, just to fuck with y'all and my psychic ability, because I know for sure it scares the fuck out of you motherfuckers. But that's okay with me. It's okay with me. I was nothing but loving and kind to you all. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. I've done nothing to you all to deserve this. Venus, I was a baby. I can't make this shit up. Anybody think I'm making this shit up? Put it in the comment section if you think I'm making this shit up. Okay? Yeah, you said that's a reflection of them, not you. You're love divinely protected and the love you need in your babies and soul tribe. You show right. Y'all understand how loved I feel. Like, even when I'm not discounting the soul tribe. I appreciate y'all, but the situation that I have been put in, I literally have only had spirits. That's it. When my family in the community They threw me to the fucking wolves. When they did that to me, I leveled the fuck up. I got on my spirit shit. That's why spiritual seclusion is so important. You become so fucking powerful. Sirens, you going to jail, bitch. I said it. Do you hear it? You hear it? You're going to fucking jail. You and the rest of the fucking crew. And I don't want you to have any hard feelings towards me, because you know what? I ain't never done nothing to you. I've never done. I admired you. Turns out whole time you admire me, huh? Her license was suspended 2 months after the murder of my mother. Sometimes spirit is doing things and you cannot see what's being done behind the scenes. But it is so important for you to trust what you believe, what you feel, what you see, what you hear. And I don't mean what you see with your eyes. My intuition, my ancestors, my angels, my guides have never failed me. They have never. How does she do it? How does she do it? How does she do it? This is how. I realize that none of this shit matters. This is crazy. Motherfuckers, okay, and I ain't even trying to rant about it, but I'm just gonna bring it up anyways. The other day, the reading about the battle of the wizards with the throwing of the wands and shit like that. Pussy ass on some shit like that with me. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with y'all? For real though. For real though. Will the real fucking high priestess or high priest stand the fuck up? I ain't worried about no motherfucking body else, but everybody's so pressed about me. I don't understand it. All I do is keep my eyes focused in front on my walk. And y'all motherfuckers would not be in this situation if y'all kept y'all eyes focused in front on y'all walk. These people are what you would be considered successful. Okay? This is why I couldn't go file a restraining order and a police report, because these are the people that I'm dealing with around me. Everybody want to be the star. Look what you did to yourself, Venus. You are so fucking beautiful, man. You are so pretty. I remember. Look what the beauty spells did to you. And after this reading, I'm going to post a picture of me. Okay? I'm going to post a picture of me. Straight up. For real, for real. You said, it seems that it's usually the people around you that you trust and believe in who will plot and work against you. When you're growing up in a community, in a family full of lawyers, doctors, police officers, sheriffs, and nurses and shit like that, you would typically feel like you are secure in those type of environments, because those are the people who are supposed to help you. Right? Those are the people who are supposed to fucking help you. One thing that preacher told me is that the title don't mean shit. One thing that I will take away from the marriage with the fucking crazy ass preacher bitch is that it doesn't matter what you look like. It don't matter who you say you are. None of that shit fucking matters. You can have whatever man-made given fucking title. These people are the reason why I preach to y'all that it doesn't matter what certificate you get in this fucking universe. I don't give a fuck if you say you a preacher or a Babalua or a Oshun priestess, bitch. I don't give a fuck. You don't run shit on me around here in my reality. This shit really hurt my heart, man. And I ain't even gonna fake it up front on that shit. And it wasn't just it was just the fact that it's literally people that I've never done anything to. That's what hurt my heart about it. Okay? Because it's literally people that I have never, ever done anything to. How could you hurt somebody who's never done anything to you. That's what I want to know. And that's what I don't get about Prince EI either. This nigga think he hunting me down or some shit. This nigga think he Ogun or some shit. Like, nigga, you better chill the fuck out before I give you this smoke. And I'm not even trying to do that. Y'all see how I just spoke on it once? That's how I handle my shit. I address the situation once and then it's back to business. Nobody got time to be sitting up here playing Harry Potter with you hoes. Everybody want to play Harry Potter in this motherfucker. Bombs over Baghdad, man. I don't understand why everybody in this community thought there was something wrong with me. I don't understand it. I don't understand why they thought they could get away with doing this to me. I don't understand that. Like, I'm okay with it. And I don't want nobody to think, oh, she's hurting the shit. No, fuck that bitch. I'm healed. Okay? I'm healed. But I don't quite understand how people could be this way. I just don't understand it. But that's all right. Hey, Venus, have you ever met the most high honorable judge, our most beautiful and precious, Santissima Muerte? Have you ever met her? Have you ever studied her? Huh? That's what I want to know. Because, see, she outrules all of the court systems. Courts of the underworld, spiritual high courts, and the courts of the earth. So y'all so smart with y'all degrees. Your boss is my best friend, my nigga. Okay? And you didn't even know you was under her. But you decided you was going to step in law. And I do want to point this out, that the name Venus is ruled, well, the planet, well, her name is Venus, and the planet Venus is ruled by Libra. Law. Law. Y'all fucked up, man. This is just really beyond me. Okay, so trust accounts and property of others is what her ass is more. Okay, it's what her ass has done. And this is why she was disbarred. And I'm already back in St. Louis. This is why they brought me here. Because I got to fight this shit and I got to get my motherfucking prize, bitch. Okay, declining or terminating representation as well. And it's probably like, remember we kept having that crooked cop, crooked lawyer coming out in reverse, like they are feeling really bad and they know that they about to go to fucking jail, okay? And then bar admissions and disciplinary matters. This is what she was charged with, Rule 4-8.1, okay? And it's knowingly making a false statement. So not only are your reviews saying that you are making false statements, but you have been convicted in the court of law by the Supreme Court. The Supreme motherfucking court has found you to be uncredible. Y'all think y'all finna win against me? I don't give a fuck what degree you got, how many years you went to college. You finna be in prison. Okay? So yeah, this person is a liar. Failed to disclose a fact necessary to correct a misapprehension known by the person to have arisen in the matter, or knowingly failed to respond to a lawful demand for information or for admissions of disciplinary authority, except that is Rule 4-8.1 does not require disclosure of information otherwise protected by Rule 4-6.1. Okay, now let's take a look at B just one more time. She failed to disclose a necessary fact to correct a misapprehension, to correct giving something to someone that it was not theirs. She gave away my motherfucking money. She didn't give it all away because she got caught. But she was the one who was over the trust fund. Okay? So where are we at? Let's look at this one, okay? So this is the committee to expose dishonest and incomplete judges, attorneys, and public officials. Okay? We're looking at attorney Venus Harry of St. Louis, Missouri. Somebody has dubbed her as a moronic loser. Okay? You are a moronic loser, Venus, for real. I'm just gonna be honest with you, because how dare you do this to a child, an innocent fucking child. Yeah, I'm grown now, bitch, but you looking about 80 in that fucking picture, so it's a clear age difference, and you were definitely grown when I was a child, okay? But anyways, State of Missouri presented Venus Valine Harris with law license in 1998 after she graduated from the University of Illinois Law School, okay? The Office of Disciplinary Counsel found Venus guilty of the following misconduct, and this was in September 21st, 2021. Failed to provide competent services, moron status, okay? Failed to act with due diligence, slacker, meaning she knew that she was speaking to, giving the money to the wrong person, and she did not act in time because she was getting some of this money as well and participating in this death ritual magic and all of that as well. Failed to keep the client informed of the status of a legal matter. She never reached out to me. She had several, even personal ways to get in contact with me, okay? Failed to safeguard client property, all right? This is just what this is right here. Now, I wanted to look at failed to safeguard client property in the trust account. I seen 42, 48. Okay? Let me light my shit. Power off, okay? Proper management of the client trust account is important ethical duty of the lawyer everywhere, okay? Your clients give you their money, and you are tasked with safeguarding this client property with a narrow expectation of a flat fee earned upon request. That means whatever the fuck you're supposed to be getting paid, everything else goes into a trust fund, okay? So it says you must promptly deposit the funds into an account known as a trust account. And I told y'all from the jump, Spirit told me I had a trust fund, okay? Inside some jurisdictions, they are called client trust accounts or lawyer trust accounts with an important subset called IOLTA, interest on lawyer trust account, right? That's what that is, right? In which to hold client deposits that are of relatively low amount held for such a short-term interest and earnings that would be insignificant. All right, how insignificant? We're not going to go into that because there are some facts I want to point out here, okay? How you must reasonably safeguard your clients' or third parties' money. Is that where that was? Okay, because there was a part on here that I wanted to speak about where it tells the lawyer, it tells the lawyer that they have to have a separate account for their own funds in which they're getting paid, right? I already read this through. In which they're getting paid, they have to have a separate account for their own funds, right? And then a trust fund account, they have to keep exclusive records, detailed records of all the transactions, balance history, and all of that stuff, and who it's going to, right? So they have to have the account in a second account, but a second account, a separate account from what the law firm earns, but it has to be held in an account in the same state, okay? So this is what happened. They said I was incompetent or what the fuck ever. And her motherfucking ass, my mother, no, she's my mother, the adoptive mother, she gave her the lawyer trust fund account so that she can manage the money and divvy it out between them. And now everybody's involved. And why would the murder plot make sense to murder me or whatever? Because again, this is a whole community that's going down behind this amount of money that these people have stolen, and everybody was involved. So they realized that they were getting in too deep. So if they got caught, the easiest way to clean up the mess is to have me die, the funeral, which would have been my funeral, but it ended up being my actual mother. Y'all follow me, right? 45. All right. So if I would have died and they would have been able to kill me, then they would have all had access to the money because the neighbor, who is the lawyer, has the trust fund money, okay, in a separate account. And that's also a way for them to transfer the money out of the account. But anyways, yeah, so I think at this point, I want to pull some cards on the situation and I want to see what the spirit has to say. I don't want to put too much of my opinion over it. I just wanted to state facts. That's why I came with all of this, because I don't want to put too much of my opinion over it, even though I'm gonna say it deeply saddens me, because inside I'm actually pretty fucking happy. Okay? I'm pretty fucking happy. I need this picture. And anybody that thinks that it's wrong for me to tap into her energy, you can kiss my ass and suck my left nut. I don't have a left nut, but when you find it, put it in your mouth for me. Okay? Put it in your mouth for me. Because these people tried to murder me. And they tried to create legal documentation around it. They tried to do everything they could do to murder me. So, fuck you and your mama too, if you think that I'm violating, because I have been violated in ways that you couldn't even imagine. Okay? So, the downloads, before I get into pulling cards, was Judgment Day, Angel of God. All right? I don't know exactly who identifies himself as the Angel of God. Then it was 2121, and I just aligned the 2121 with the date that this actually happened. I didn't see that until just now. Okay? And then the other download that I had, of course, they're putting together the orchestra. They're showing how the nature of law works, the nature of life works. So again, Divine Infinite All is the maestro. Ancestors, angels, guides, birds, bees, trees, demons, and everything in between. That is... All right, yeah. Okay, wait a minute, y'all. Okay, because I didn't write that part down. Because sometimes when I write my downloads, I'll just write a piece of it, and then I'll figure like it'll come back to me if I just write that little part. But anyways, ancestors, angels, and guides, birds, bees, trees, demons, and everything in between. Those are the choirs and the orchestra and all the other stuff. Now, what is the verses, right? The verses... Get your ugly ass back up here, bitch. All right, the verses are the scripture, the spoken word and the written word, okay? That is the song of life. Y'all get me? Y'all got me. All right. So I also got the download that Divine Infinite All is sending in physical protection for Divine Feminine. So that could be the Divine Masculine coming in as well. Because of the attacks, they're going to send in somebody who's like a stray killer. This nigga will shoot you. He will fucking kill you. I know that for a fact. Like, Spirit showed me. Like, this nigga will fucking kill you. If you try to harm, hurt, danger, any of that shit to Divine Feminine, Spirit will fucking kill you. And I'm going to say it just like that. Just like that. Okay? Anyways, what else do I have? Okay? Non-material gifts from the ancestors. Okay? So a lot of people will be receiving non-materialistic gifts. You are going to get your materialistic gifts as well, but they're going to give you like weapons of war, things that you can use that are non-materialistic, whether it be, like I said, the verses. They're going to give you the verses. Like whether it be words that you can put together to make some shit happen, move a mountain or whatever, codes or whatever. Ancestors are now handing out, like, this is a part of the justice and the judgment. The order was it judgment, justice, order. Judgment, justice, order. Judgment, justice, order. Okay? So now people are going to be receiving their justice and their gifts from the ancestors, and then the order will take place, but it's going to be non-material to start with. So you may notice that your gifts are going to intensify. And I had told y'all, I didn't really know what's going on, but these last few days, my gifts have been on 10,000, like 10 million thousand. And that's why it's been hard for me to like go live like as often as I usually would have been live, because my downloads were so heavy. So expect that happening to you as well. Okay. And then the angel of the righteous is out here. So we have the angel of God out here, and then the angel of the righteous is out here. I was visited by a spirit today, another angel today as well. And he don't want me to talk about him on camera, so I can't call him his name, but he said I can say the angel of the righteous. I don't know who represents himself as the angel of the righteous either. So I'll guarantee you the actual name that I know him as, like his soul name, is not even the angel name, like what they call him. But he does manifest into a physical angel. And then for some reason, Pluto is out here. So let's look at Pluto energy right quick. But I do know, like I said, Pluto is a cycle of... The transit between Pluto is 12 to 15 years. And I do know I did a reading on the cosmic cycles, karmic cosmic cycles. Yeah, it was karmic cosmic cycles, right? And I was telling y'all that you can get trapped in the cycle for 6 years, 9 years, 7 years, 12 years. Yeah, I think it goes up to 12 years, right? So this has been going on for 12 to 15 years. I got to finish that, okay? Rebirth. Oh, I didn't even see that, okay? So it represents rebirth. Okay, so this has been going on for 12 to 15 years, the situation that these people have been trying to plot, because, of course, the trust fund and everything was given to the child, as a child, a baby. You get what I'm saying? So they were plotting on this child their whole life to get this money, okay? But let's look at some Pluto energy, because I don't really know what Pluto represents right now. Pluto energetic signature. All right, Pluto's energy is very subtle with being far away from the sun, but it can play an important role in influencing zodiac signs. Pluto symbolizes regeneration, transformation, and rebirth. That's like death energy as well. Even if it does not look like things get done with Pluto, things do get done with Pluto. Give me 1 second because I want to click on that first one. Let's go here. Pluto's dark ordeals. In the birth chart, Pluto shows the area of life where you personally face intense powers of creation and destruction. I'm telling you, these energies been thick these last couple of days. It is the doorway through which volatile, compressed pockets of self, spirit, and primal energy lies hidden. And my daughter was the one that actually gave the Pluto sign, because out of nowhere she was like, Mama, what does Pluto stand for? And I'm like, I don't fucking know. Like, where'd you get that from? She was like, I don't know. It just stuck out to me. So that's why I wrote that down, right? And my description of Pluto from off the rip of what I knew was, like I said, it was chaos energy, dark energy. Also, like, an energy that fucking takes a long fucking time to come across. I know it's not a lot of people on here because it's early as fuck in the morning. It's already 2 a.m., but we finna keep going. And those who get up in the morning, they'll have a little treat to look at. And I don't give a fuck. Share this video. Anyways, where we at? So it's the doorway through volatile and compressed pockets of self, spirit, and primal energy lies within, which are released either by your own efforts or by the provocation of the outside world. Pluto's energy will not be suppressed. It is powerful and is often feared. This can put you in a showdown between your greatest fears of being destroyed and the pursuit of the deepest longing in your heart. That's kind of how I feel like with this bittersweet energy, I guess. I don't know. The ego holds on to its defenses, but Pluto tries to urge you to let go and surrender and become a new person. Pluto rules Scorpio, which is in its providence of being death and rebirth. There is a Sufi saying, die many times before you die. And Pluto's lessons hold out the promise of emerging the flames of a new person. When chaotic events shake us at the foundation, it can be Pluto provoking change at the fundamental levels. We might not think we exist without the ground beneath us, our sense of who we are. But if we're brave, I'm looking at it like that, but if we're brave, we come to discover there is life after this kind of ego death. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't really want to be doing all this reading, but I kind of feel like I need to. So Pluto also governs itself, including struggles between people and countries for domination and, of course, personal power. It also shows up when perfectly capable people end up under the thumb of someone else's control, facing down the control and manipulation of each other. Come on, Pluto. Of others, okay? Come on, Pluto, with this energy right here. So that's why Pluto was mentioned to me today. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was having a personal situation there with myself. But anyways, yeah, so it's facing down the control and manipulation of others, especially parents and others that can make us weak in the knees. But once we do this, we change forever. You can either be at the mercy of Pluto's provocation to change, or you can take matters into your own hands. It can be humbling to look soberly at the area of life in which you feel powerless, worked over, dissed by the universe. But by doing this, you can try to understand and alter your own reactions. You might still be brought to your knees, but while you're there, rest assured that Pluto's dark punishing face is that of a tough but loving teacher, leading you towards more authentic experience of yourself. All right, Pluto, we appreciate that. So now that we got this out of the way, my candle's still burning. Let me move this. This light probably gonna go off, y'all. But I'm finna get these cards going, and we finna pull on Miss Venus's energy, and we gonna see what else the fuck they say I'm right about. Okay? Yeah, I knew it was gonna go down. I just heard the ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. What's that song? The ants go marching two by two. The little one stopped to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know where the fuck that came from. So, shut up. Just let me be me. Alright, so let's start with the angels, and then we'll go to the Kipper. And then I got Santa Muerte out here as well, because she's the high judge. And then I just grabbed a big ass pile out the oracle and see what they're gonna say about Venus. We are pulling on the energy of Venus, and we do not give no fucks. I have permission because I'll rank you, bitch, and you thought that I didn't. Okay? Asha. Ancestors, angels, and guides.
Power off.
Something about to power off. Bringing in endings. All right, archangels. What's up with this? Willis, guide our reading. Lead our reading, Willis. Okay? Nithael, okay? Rejuvenation, obtains mercy of God, and gives long life. So yeah, Venus, you're not getting no rejuvenation. You will not have any mercy from God, and you ain't finna live a long life. But I said you did some death magic, okay? God, the kingdom of heaven in reverse. Yeah, you going to hell? Okay? You know the devil went down in Georgia. That's what I just heard. The devil went down in Georgia. He sure the fuck did. And caught himself some AIDS. Okay? What else do we have? Two of Pentacles. Poyel, God who supports the universe. Okay? Fortune and fame, fulfills any request, is out here. This is what this person was after. Okay? Venus, this is what your monkey ass was after. Okay? Fortune and fame. Didn't I say everybody want to be the star? Didn't I say that? Everybody want to be the fucking star. Okay? Yeah, you're not the motherfucking high priestess. Let me turn this shit on. Okay? You cannot come back for what you have done to this high priestess, ma'am. And I do want to point this out too. She's also a part of the LGBT community. Not that I'm saying anything bad about the LGBT community, but that energy was coming out a lot. And I still wasn't picking up on where that personally resonated in my motherfucking shit. Okay? So yeah, what I'm getting just off these three cards, rejuvenation in reverse, obtaining mercy from God in reverse, and gives your long life has been revoked. Venus is in reverse. That's because of the death magic, honey. Yeah, that shit illegal too, lawyer. All right. The God of the universe does not support you. God of the universe supports the high priestess. All right. Success, protection from magistrates, legal proceedings, fucked up ass legal fucking shit. Okay. I can't believe you did that to me, Vince. Like, I cannot fucking believe it. I mean, I know we wasn't like cool or nothing like that, but I thought you were at least a decent human being. Okay? King of Swords is out here, the exalted God. So there's going to be some type of truth coming out. It's going to be victory over you, motherfucker. Grants victory and protection from lightning. You tried to strike me down. Why would you do that? All you motherfuckers, okay? Come on, spirit. I'm finna expose the shit out your ass. For real. Take me to court. Say I'm defaming your character. Alright? I gotta turn this upside down. Sorry. The magician was in reverse. The magician in reverse. You did this magic on me, bitch. I told you. The fuck? Well, they told me and I told you, bitch. Okay? Spiritual wisdom. What you did was unwise against this high priestess. Okay? Spiritual wisdom and magic. I'm just turning this way. It's upside down. But look. Helps one gain wisdom and discover hidden secrets. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Your black magic right here, you see that? Your magic is in reverse, ma'am. It's in reverse. Y'all try to defame my character. I heard defamation of character. You try to defame my character. Look at your reviews, man. Look at your fucking reviews, man. I'm just saying, that's 5 right there. Let's look at the star. This is the moon energy. This is what's hidden. And why did I tell you I ain't got my money yet? Because they can't find me. You can't fucking find me, nigga. Okay? This is what you did to the star. I want to say it right. Vasahara, the star, the just God, clemency, okay? And equilibrium, protects against attacks in the courts. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You lied and you knew that that was not me that you was talking to. You gave my money to somebody I don't even fucking know. You gave my money to fucking Leah Grubb, okay? To my ex-husband's new wife. And you let her sign my name on documentation and you knew she was not me. Okay? Period. What else we got? 5 of Cups, prosperity, destruction of the enemy, and deliverance from bondage. Give me my money. Okay? Give me my money. I don't expect to get all the likes in the comments and shit right now because I know it's early as fuck. But Spirit has had me up overnight for a reason because I have mad downloads. What else we got, Spirit? Let's take a look and make sure everything up right. What else we got? Spiritual high courts. Spiritual high courts. Her magic was in reverse. Whatever magic she participated in was in reverse. That's why your ass is suspended. You're going to be disbarred and in prison. Okay? End of 2022, 2023. Okay? What is this? The World card in reverse, period. Rebirths, ending, Pluto energy. Okay? God, the source of wisdom. Like, you don't have any fucking wisdom. Foundation of wisdom. Give success in all ventures. Your venture was unsuccessful. Okay? Your venture was unsuccessful. It's in a reverse. What is this? 7 of Wands. The expected God. Yeah, you was expecting something and you're not getting it. Liberation is not happening. Deliverance from enemies, both visible and invisible. Those spirits is haunting the shit out your ass. 104.22. Give me a second, y'all. Let me turn on this music. Because I gotta pee. And y'all know I gotta go pee. Don't leave me, y'all. I know it's early. I'm keeping y'all company tonight. Venus, you keep watching, girl. Keep a close eye on this, Venus. And everybody involved, my ops. Y'all watch this video right here, okay? Share this video, like this video. Hold on, Venus. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to keep reading you like a book. I'm back, y'all. Let me dry my hands. Let me dry my hands. All right, your girl is back. My hand's still a little wet. Yeah, my hand's still a little wet, y'all. It's still a little wet. Let me dry them for a second because I want to get my cards wet. But as I was saying, Venus, girl, you will not receive any liberation. You've been cut off from the wisdom of God, okay? God, the ruler, the king and the ruler has stepped in with the 5 of cups, and they have declared that they're going to pour out prosperity on this high priestess in which you did magic on with a group of people. Okay? Yes. I wish I would. Let me get some tissue because I'm like, I barely dried it on them. You know how you have like some clean clothes or whatever you ain't fold up yet, and then you just grab it so you can dry your hands because they clean and your hands clean. I barely dried it on them. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Thank you guys for the likes, the love, and support. Make sure y'all book y'all angelic readings. They are on sale now, okay? And it is a full jam-packed reading, okay? All right, so, yeah, let's keep going. What else about Venus, Harry? What else about her spirit? Okay, your shit keep coming out in reverse, man. Your angels is in reverse, man. Okay, healing in reverse. This is Habuaya, 9 of Cups. God, the kindest giver. God isn't giving you shit. Okay, preserves health and cures disease. Oh yeah, you got HIV too, because you was participating in them sex orgies. So yeah. You got HIV too. Anybody else in this clique or this crew, any motherfucking body else want to fuck with Omega? Like anybody else? Any fucking body else? Come on now, because once we close out this cycle, you're going to miss your turn. You're going to miss your opportunity. Okay? Jump on the bandwagon of haters, taking them all. Okay? 3 of Cups. The right hand of God is out here. Okay? Like, you're not going to be able to stop somebody who's ordained by the right hand of God. They were handpicked by God. This person is destined to be famous in world now. Okay? Influence this commerce. They destined to travel and have great discoveries. You try to rob somebody of that. Okay? The Chariot, you going to jail. Mikael, one who is like God, is here to stop you. Okay? Perseverance, success, and conflict, overcoming adversity. Okay? Like, you are the adversity, bitch. Okay? 5 of Swords, this is you. Okay? Defeated, discord, dishonor. You already have been dishonored in front of the community. Look at your reviews. Look at your service for your business. Okay? Desire to know, the acquisition of wisdom. You'll never have the wisdom. This is why you did this. I already know which spells that you were participating in against me, Venus, because you look old as fuck, bitch. You did the beauty spells on me. That's what you did. You did the fucking beauty spells on me. Then you did the money spells on me as well. Okay? Spells on the community. You lied in front of a judge. All that shit. All that shit. And now you have been blocked from the wisdom of God. You know what that means? That means you a fucking fool. You ain't even a fool because God at least looked out for them. Okay? The lovers. You blocked my love situation too. So you know personally, all you motherfuckers know personally who the fuck my divine masculine is. All of you do. And y'all lied. And y'all tried to keep us apart. Like, it's people involved you wouldn't even never think. Like, what the fuck, Venus? Okay? What the fuck? 101-11. Joy and pleasure brings happiness to couples, removes negative energy. This shit finna happen anyways. I don't know what the fuck y'all thought. I don't know what the fuck y'all thought. If y'all would, y'all better be lucky y'all did not kill me. I promise y'all better be lucky because y'all would have released me and y'all already know what the fuck I am. So in my highest form, I would have fucked you up. You know it. You know it. You know it. Let's move on. Willis, tell us the story. Through the Kipper, please. Willis, tell us the story. Willis, Venus, Harry, what does she have to do with the situation? 111-13. Venus, Harry. Okay, great fortune in reverse. I'm not playing. I said she stole my motherfucking inheritance. Venus, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. And then afterwards, You're going to hell. Yes, you are, because you got HIV. Yes, you do. Yes, the fuck you do. Oracle, please bring this shit out when we get to you, Oracle. Please bring this shit out when we get to you, Oracle. Because this is so exciting for me. 11155. To prove to you bitches I am that I am. Okay? What else, Spirit? Okay? Mature man in reverse. That's the ex-husband. We already know. So you link with him with this great fortune. My plan backfired. We know this happened to me when I was a child. Didn't I say that? I seen 11222, 11224. Okay? Didn't I say this all happened to me as a child? Yes, it did. Okay? This Harry spirit. Being Harry spirit. What did she do? Tell on her. Be a witness for us. Ancestors, gay days, Willis, everybody. Okay? Message of concern. She stopped the message. This is why your fucking license is suspended. This is why you cannot practice law right now, because you lied and you did not communicate with someone who you had their money. You had their trust fund, and you did not communicate this message of great fortune because you wanted it for yourself. This is crazy. Like, you motherfuckers. It's all good, because I'm finna be living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you niggas. Okay, wealthy man in reverse. Again, so I don't know what the fuck, how many people had a cut in this shit, or what the fuck y'all thought y'all was finna do. Come on, spirit. They want to come out. Family room in reverse. So y'all sat down. Y'all all discussed this. After y'all plan backfired or what y'all going to do. The shit is over. You're not going to be able to do shit. Spirit is taking fucking names and kicking ass, okay? Privileged lady, what I say? They sat in this family room after they planned backfired. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Malibu's most wanted. Somebody wanted by the police. You finna get your paperwork. If you ain't already got your paperwork, Venus, just wait. You finna get your paperwork. You going to jail, bitch. Ooh, that's a lot. Spirit got a lot to say. Okay? Come on now, Spirit. Come on. Come on now, Spirit. Venus Terry, Spirit. What's this here? Okay? Courthouse. Privileged lady. Courthouse. You a lawyer. Your name is Venus. Under Libra. Okay? Law. All right? You lied in this courthouse about this privileged lady, about her great fortune. Okay? That's what you did. Spirit telling on you. It's okay. I already knew. They already told me before I even had any hardcore evidence. Okay? Concern. And you've been trying to cover this concern up as well. Because both messages of concern, they try to come out in reverse. Okay? This one flipped around. So you did whatever you did with this paperwork so they can get off with this shit and you can get some money. And your ass going to jail. And so is your cousin too. Okay? Change. Yeah, it's going to be a change. 9 is out here. It's going to be a fast, big-ass change, okay? You're not getting any gift. You don't have any gifts. You can't even connect to the divine anymore, okay? You about to go on some type of journey. Your fate line has now changed. You are no longer going to be a lawyer. Pathway. This is the path that you have chosen. What else, okay? Poverty. Thank you. You chose the path of poverty, okay? You chose the path of poverty. That's what you did. Your gifts is in reverse because you lied in this courthouse. You did this to a child. That's what the fuck you did. Okay? Gifts in reverse. You're not getting shit. You going on a journey. The pathway is open. Right for your poverty, bitch, because that's what the fuck you tried to do to me. I'm back. Look at this. Look at this. Unexpected income. How the fuck this shit say 2814 if it just went out? I'm not quite sure. Okay? Unexpected income, 27. I was born on the 27th, okay? Thief. Thief. Venus. 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 Now, you know the law now, but do you know the laws of nature? Do you know her? I'm back, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting too deep off in this shit for you, Venus. You trying to stop? You trying to stop my message or some shit? Here we go, Venus. Unexpected income, thief. Great fortune in reverse. Gifts in reverse. Okay? You finna go straight to poverty. I'm gonna see your ass in court. You gonna need you a lawyer. I hope you still got some lawyer friends. Though none of them want to be associated with you because they all know what you have done to this person. Okay? They all motherfucking know. Main male, toil and labor. Okay? So this is the ex-husband. Okay? Y'all often have to work hard for the rest of y'all fucking days. Look, marriage in reverse. Didn't I say this was the ex-husband? Marriage in reverse. Period. What else we got, Spirit? What's this? High honor. Okay? Lovers. This just is what it is. Marriage in reverse. Expectation. House. Okay? Bad health is out here. The community. And we're talking about the shit I've done in the community adjudication. Courthouse. You are there. This you, Venus. Right here. Lying to this judge with this ex-husband so that y'all can get this great fortune. This is what's going on. And the judge knows that your ass is a fucking liar just like every false person. Just like everybody else, okay? They know you're a fucking liar just like everybody else. Let's get off into these spiritual streets. Thank you, Willis, for these messages. Thank you, ancestors, angels, and guides for these messages. Thank you for all the downloads that you were giving me today. It was a little heavy for me today with the downloads, but I appreciate the revelations because I would rather know than not know. I'm just going to be honest with you. I would rather know than not know. And they was showing me way before I had any fucking solid evidence, solid proof, or nothing about your ass. And even when I was still seeing you in those dreams, Venus, and the spirit was giving me the fucking dreams and shit and giving me visions of your ass and shit like that, I still was in my soul like, I hope you and fucking Gomez. I was sitting here like, I hope that they're on my side because, especially Gomez, because she was more around my age. So you know me, man. I smoked a little weed or whatever, but I was never like a bad kid or anything like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? We finna get off in these spiritual streets. At this point, you can take the messages as it resonates. This is past, present, and future. But we're going to be looking at present. We need to know, Willis, what's going on. Okay? So if you see a message in the oracle, even though we are doing a message pertaining to this particular fucked up ass person right here, still take the messages as it resonates to you. Okay? In your personal situation. Asha. All right? And I'm sharing my situation because the world needs to know. Okay? I'ma tell the world, tell it, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. 3055. I don't know what that was. Did y'all just see that fly across the screen? It's like a little orb or something. Okay, Spirit. We got a big ass chunk. Okay. Yeah, this group of people, they felt like that they own me. And I know, Venus, I know for sure that my adoptive mother, Marion, told you that it was okay for you to treat me like this. And she told everybody, throw her away. She doesn't have any value. She doesn't mean anything to anybody. Like, I already know that you was coached into this by somebody who feels like they own me. 3131. It's all good, though. What did I tell you? I am that I am. I am eternity. Y'all cannot kill me. It's nothing that y'all can do because I'm free. Okay? The shit is dead. Pluto energy. Death energy. Okay? It's over for you. And everybody around you, okay? It's just that simple, okay? Okay, falling into traps. Look, money, money, money. Venus, tis, okay? Activation. Yeah, this high priestess that's on this board here, she was activated, okay? And God trusts that person, look. God trusts that person. And they're going to end all forms of oppression for this person, okay? Period. All right, handwritten letter in reverse. This is what Marion showed you. Okay, and they showed me that too. Like, Marion got the letter about the trust fund. Then she called you and Arthur and the crew, and y'all decided on how y'all was going to make sure that I never got this information. I should have had this letter 3 years ago. I should have had my money 3 years ago. It was even longer than that. But that's when you guys started to, like, get into it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, look, trying to steal your calling. Venus, what I tell you, okay? Envy not sinners. So like I said, these are the type of people that want to keep up with the Joneses. Yeah, I'm a lawyer, I'm a doctor, I'm a nurse, I'm a police officer, and you the grimiest motherfucker there is, okay? Yeah, it looks good because you're driving a certain kind of car or whatever. And I do want to say something too, because Spirit gave me a download, and this also hurt my heart, Venus. You know what? They told me that you used my money from my trust fund to pay for your LGBT wedding. Yeah, I paid for that. And I was watching that shit on the fucking news when you got married. I think I was in Omaha, Nebraska at that time. I was watching that shit on the news when you got fucking married, man. And I was happy for you. Even if it was another bitch. I still was like, I know her. I grew up with her. She's an inspiration. Like, what the fuck? Man, okay? Make plans in reverse. You ran out of plans. You was caught on camera. Okay, Venus? You were caught on camera. There's evidence, okay, on what you have done. You cannot right your wrong in this situation. There will be no redemption. Well, you can go to jail, and then you can go to hell, and then it'll be okay, okay? Unexpected gain, spiritual or physical. This is what she thought she was finna get, and this is what's actually happening for the divine one, the chosen one, who is in the correct path. Look, conspiracy. Caught red-handed. Okay? That's what happened here. This is what's going on here. Divine infinite all. Santissima Morte. Ancestors, angels, and guides. It is my will that this video finds it to Venus. Get this video to Venus. Okay? Lincoln, Nebraska. 8 p.m. is out here. All right? Mama Marie Laveau. Somebody got Creole bloodline. Macon County, Georgia. Then I said the devil went down to Georgia. Okay? Jackson is out here. I do have people in my family with the last name Jackson as well. So you can take that as it resonates. 12 noon. Something could happen. It could be at 12 a.m. because it's in reverse. Okay? Dreaming of you. Didn't I say I was having dreams about you, Venus? Didn't I say that? I said that. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me why the fuck you was there. Like, what do you have to do with this? What do you have to do with my situation and my family? And I know now, okay? There is some cell phone records that you are caught up in as well, Venus, okay? So, yeah, they're going to be subpoenaing all that shit, your cell phone records, about this drama that you have created or you assisted in, okay, around my life. Checkmate, bitch. The shit is over, okay? Yeah, money does grow on trees. That's what you try to do. You try to pick from my apple tree, bitch. Because you seen I had a shitload of fucking money set aside for me. And you picked from my apple tree. So you was thinking like, we can get away with this. We really can. She's got so much money. It's not even going to affect her. Nah, fuck that shit. I need all my shit. Okay? Victory for the upright. You're going to lose because you're in the reverse. Okay? Magician in reverse. Magic backfire. Occult. It proves that your ass is doing these fucking rituals. You did these rituals on me. You did these fucking rituals on me, Venus. Stop playing with me. Stop fucking playing with me. This is so sad. Like, I just don't understand it, okay? Chew them up and spit them out. That's what's finna happen to you. You finna get chewed up and spit out by the divine infinite all in my fucking spirit team. They own it, okay? And no, I didn't do a ritual on you, bitch, or none of you motherfuckers that's involved in the shit. I didn't do a ritual on none of you motherfuckers. That's just the Asha that I have. Touch not the anointed, bitch. What don't y'all get? What don't y'all get? Okay? Food stamp fraud. Girl, nah, you a lawyer now. Okay? You try to crucify me. Okay? Spirit is at your neck. Look, can't nobody fuck with me. Period. You seeing it now. Okay? Because I don't fuck with nobody. I don't give a fuck how much shit y'all see me in. If y'all see me in some shit, you know I ain't started. I'm too concerned about what's going on in my life to be fucking around in somebody else's energy, fucking around, thinking about some other motherfucker, especially if I ain't getting paid. I'm not finna be sitting here doing all this extra shit, okay? Afraid to close their eyes. You better be, bitch, because I was thinking about that too, and I'm gonna tell you something. You better be afraid to close your eyes, Venus. I swear to God. I swear to God, you better be afraid to close your eyes, because when I got this information revealed to me today, I said, I'm gonna meet this bitch in her dreams. I'm gonna hop right the fuck over there on your ass. That's exactly what the fuck I said to myself. I said, I'm gonna beat your ass in the motherfucking astral realm, bitch, because you want to play games. You need to be afraid. Be afraid, Venus. That's how I know you watching this shit, because your ass up right the fuck now. There's no rest for the wicked. All right? Be afraid, bitch. Be very afraid. Okay? Yeah, you can't break away from this. This is what you want to do. It's not working. Fayetteville, North Carolina is out here. All right? Blocked heart chakra. Of course your heart chakra is blocked. You got to be having no heart chakra if you feel like somebody that you grew up with who's not even a bad person, I ain't no hoe, I ain't no prostitute or nothing. All I do is mind my business and take care of my kids, deserves to die. You have no heart, bitch. You have no heart. You took them people money. You lied to them, lied on them. Yeah, the judge is finna believe what the fuck I say. The fuck? The evidence is everywhere. Spirit gathered the evidence for me. So it makes it not even hard for me to prove my case. The Supreme Court has found you on documentation guilty. And you finna be guilty of this shit too. Okay? Adults with mind as children. All she felt like was, I want to be the star. Why does, they call me Edie, y'all. That's my birth name. Why does Edie get to be the star? She's a little fucking hood rat. Like, not hood rat as in whole, but like, I used to freestyle a lot. And I used to have like all dudes that I would hang out with, but I was never having sex with these dudes. These was like my friends, and we would battle rap, and we would smoke a lot of weed and shit like that. She's a hoodlum. She just smokes weed. She doesn't want to go to college. She's not into that. I'm an artist. Artists typically aren't into that shit. Everybody different. Okay? So it was a popularity contest, what I just heard. Y'all always thought y'all was better than me. When I was growing up and everything, y'all always thought y'all was better than me. Okay? Blame game. Blame yourself, bitch. You and my adopted mama and this ex-husband and that fake ass false person, okay? Twisted fate. Oh, how the tables turn. 3939. Oh, how the tables turn, Venus. Okay? The first shall be last and the last shall be first. This is what I'm seeing. And that's showing me that you felt like, all of you motherfuckers felt like, because I didn't have a degree and I didn't want to further the worldly education because I was not interested in being educated by the fucking system. Like, what the fuck? I wanted to explore and use my imagination and not be programmed. And that was a problem for you all. I'm not crazy. You motherfuckers is crazy. Y'all don't want me to be free. Y'all don't want me to have a good life. Y'all don't want me to not struggle with my kids. Like, what's wrong with y'all? Okay? Holding a grudge, like literally. I've never done nothing to these people. The grudge that you have with me, Venus, is that I was left a lot of money and I'm beautiful as shit. And you could not believe the glow up. When you seen little ashy ass little girl, musty little girl running around with the little boys in the neighborhood, playing ball and flipping and shit, you never would have thought in a million motherfucking years that I would have turned into this beautiful fucking swan. Jealous of me. This is what they said. Look. Venus. The feds got a plan, honey. This is federal. You knew by the amount of the trust fund, which I will not disclose. I don't give a fuck how angry I get. You knew by the amount of the trust fund that it was federal. This is why it's going to be worldwide. This is why it's going to be seen all over the world. This is why it's going to be all over the news. And remember, y'all been following me, right? Remember I told y'all the world was telling my story? Every reader telling the same story, right? And I told y'all this is my story. I'm proving it to you. I'm the motherfucker. It's me, bitch. Surprise. Okay? Worthless in reverse. Worthless in reverse. Y'all motherfuckers straight sit up here and call me worthless. Like, y'all, why though? Why? What did I do? Like, why? I wasn't like having sex early or nothing. I waited till I was married to have children and all that shit. Like, what the fuck did I do so wrong to y'all? Okay? For y'all to deem me worthless. For y'all to deem that I didn't deserve a life. Okay? I don't understand it. Ancestor communication is out here. This is how I do what the fuck I do. Because that shit is real. Okay? You guys were pure spiteful. This is direct well, not from your ancestors, because your ancestors have disowned your ass, Venus. Okay? Banned bloodline. Y'all did this out of spite. Okay? Y'all did this out of spite. Look, generate millions in reverse. When I motherfucking tell you, they know how much motherfucking money that shit was, and so the fuck do I. And I bet you I get the exact number right just to prove you bitches on my psychic ability. I love doing that shit. Okay? You thought you was finna generate millions by lying to the judge and the courts to get my motherfucking trust fund. You thought you was finna get my millions, bitch. That's what you thought. It's in reverse. The millions, it does. Magic lamp. See, this is what you thought. You thought it was that easy. You thought you was finna rub a lamp and then a genie was finna pop out and they was just finna give you my destiny. All you hoes is sick. Okay? All y'all is sick. Y'all mind is twisted. I don't give a fuck what degree you got. I don't give a fuck what. I don't give a fuck. What else do we have, Spirit? God stepping in. Venus. You study law, but do you know law, honey? Do you know the laws of the universe? Okay? Do you know those laws? Do you know those laws? Okay? You might want to quickly try to educate yourself because you're going to be in court. You're going to be in court here. Okay? Yeah. Don't know which way to go. Yeah, I know, honey. Because, see, you thought that the system of the world was greater than the divine infinite all. You didn't even really believe that God was real. But you believe now, don't you? Don't you, Venus, girl? I'm going to taunt the shit out your ass. Okay? Look, a beautiful fairy tale, twisted fate. Okay? The counselor in reverse. Now, what do they call lawyers? They call them your counsel. Right? So this is the lawyer in reverse. Okay? 4222. Birth. Period. Pluto energy. Death and rebirth. Death and reverse. This situation, you're finna go from the top of the community to the bottom of the community. All your lawyer friends and your prestigious friends and all those people that you hung around and went to the nice dinner parties in Clayton and then motherfucking, what's the name of that shit? Frontenac and shit like that. All them motherfucking parties that you went to, none of them white people is gonna help you, honey. None of them white people is going to help you because they want to protect their lawyer careers. Right? Yeah. And I know it's a white man involved too that you brought in. Okay? And he was also participating in those fucking orgies and ended up getting with Sierra, who was my cousin's, the police officer's wife. Remember I told y'all how they flip-flopped and shit? Okay? Anyways, keep going. Look at that. Venus. This is actually fun for me. And I ain't even tired. And I don't even give a fuck about my views. I only need one viewer, Venus, and that's you. That's all I need. One viewer, Venus, and that is you. Okay? What else do we have? Addiction. So are you on drugs, Venus? Is it why you did it? You need me to support your habit? Greenland, you thought you was in Moneyland, didn't you? You thought you hit the jackpot. That's what you thought. Didn't you? Yeah, you was very, very absent-minded. Very, very absent-minded when you made that decision to do that. I don't understand. I do, though. Look, advanced knowledge in reverse. You thought you was so fucking smart. All you motherfuckers thought y'all was so fucking smart, didn't you? Y'all thought y'all was so motherfucking smart. Y'all have been blocked from the wisdom of God. Y'all have no connection to the spirit realm. Y'all don't even have connection, the right connection with low-level entities. The fuck? Okay? Right, look. Low-level entities. Paranormal activities. Okay? So you're being haunted, and that's why your ass is afraid to go to sleep. And watch what I fucking tell you. Watch what I fucking tell you. Paranormal activity. Watch what I tell you, Venus, when you fall asleep. Watch what the fuck I tell you when you fall asleep. I don't gotta be dead to do shit. And I don't gotta have no guns and none of that. I don't gotta do none of shit. And this is not a fucking threat. And I just want to make it clear because I know that I am being watched by the motherfucking CIA and all the police and all that shit. I just want to make shit clear. This is self-defense. I have not done anything to this person. And if y'all don't lock her ass up soon, then, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna fuck with her mind. Since you want to get up all up in mine, okay? It just is what it is. Taurus energy. I said Libra was ruled by, Venus is ruled by Libra and Taurus. Look, there you go right there. Libra, Taurus, Venus. Okay? You was hard-headed. You thought you knew the law. Taurus, Libra. Y'all see how I did that? You was hard-headed. You thought you knew the law. Okay? Look. Lying so much they believe their own lies. It's proven through the community, Venus, that you're a fucking liar, man. I was shocked to see. I was in shock. When I looked at those reviews, I could not believe that this was the person that I grew up with. I was like, nah. Like, I was in shock. I sat here for 2 hours gathering my thoughts. Like, is this really what the fuck you saying, spirit? And it was like, let me prove it to you. And then I had to go on camera and prove it to everybody else. Okay? Lying so much you believe your own lies. You're a liar, okay? You spend too much time on the wrong thing. You spend too much time on trying to get my money. And those reviews that were left on that page there for the lawyers and shit, those reviews that were left were all during the time where you had access to my inheritance. You said, fuck those cases. You took those people money. You paid for work on me because I was the bigger bag. Okay? That's why those people didn't get the service like they were supposed to get the service, because you was too busy trying to secure my bag. Aura's out here, Rachel. We already know what's up. You know who that is. All right. Divine, infinite, all hears this person's cry. They hear my cry every time I fucking call them, man. All right. Waiting on ships to come in. You ain't getting shit. But this person right here, divine, infinite, all, person in the upright, high priest, high priestess, you can guarantee that your shits are going to come in. Okay. Ex and lovers, mother is involved as well. And I told you how they all ended up mysteriously like fucking each other when I came back from traveling the country. Right? Everybody fucking each other. Look, you are the head and not the tail. This is what I said, Venus. I said you thought you was better than me. You thought that I wasn't worth shit. The first shall be last and the last shall be first. This is who God say I am. It don't matter who the fuck. You know what I'm saying? You think I am. And it doesn't matter what the world thinks of me. Okay? You got those degrees and shit because you cared what the world thinks of you. Okay? Spirits jumping in bodies. Yeah, honey. You don't have a soul anymore. No communication because you're possessed. Your mind is now gone. You can't practice law. Right? Look at your spirit team. Look at your weak ass, your bitch ass spirit team. You don't know who the fuck you was fucking with. You ain't know who the fuck you fucking with. I'm gonna learn you something, Venus. I'm gonna learn you something. Here over in Truth Gang, I've been teaching my tribe that you do not spiritually attack somebody unless you know where they rank at amongst the spirits. You do not spiritually attack someone unless you know your spirit team can beat their ass. Your spirit team can outrank their spirits. It looks like, honey, you're not the one of high honor. Okay? That's what it's looking like. It's looking like your spirit team has abandoned ship. That's what it's looking like. Your whole fucking practice, okay? Polygamy. And this is what I said. Your whole fucking practice is out of whack. And I said you were participating in group sex with my family members and your colleagues, okay? It's just that simple. Trying to run away from the divine infinite awe. Venus, honey, I keep trying to fucking tell you. You ain't going nowhere, bitch. Sit down, bitch. Pull up a chair. Have several seats. You're not going to be able to escape this. That little girl that you threw away was the diamond in the rough. Okay? Loving and caring in reverse. We already knew that you ain't have no fucking heart. Grand Rapids, Michigan is out here as well. You and your crew are no longer on the same page. Like I said, you finna be abandoned by all your colleagues, all of your lawyer friends. Like, they don't want to even be a part of this case. Good luck finding representation, because nobody is going to want to represent you because of the shit that you have done. This shit is going to make it to the Supreme Court. This is going to be the next biggest thing. How people be watching court cases on TV. I hope you're ready for your close-up, Mr. DeMoy. Okay? This shit finna be on TV because it's judges involved, lawyers involved, doctors involved. And the judge over the case, they knew you was lying from the jump. They knew you was lying from the jump. And Willis just said that judge launched an investigation. The judge launched an investigation the moment you came in there. Y'all could not even keep a straight face. And Leah's a bad actor. She was overacting the part, so the judge was kind of looking at her like for real crazy, like, bitch. Like, he knew something was off. Okay? Holy Spirit, Gene, this is why you cannot kill me. This is why you cannot copy me. This is why you cannot fuck with me. Using sex as a weapon in reverse. That's the sex magic, y'all. That's what y'all was doing. You participated in death magic orgy rituals in the graveyard. And I'm going to say it just like how the fuck I said it, because that's what the fuck you really did. That's what you really did. And I hope every white person in power in the state of St. Louis, Missouri City, and state of St. Louis, Missouri, and all across the country and the world see this shit. Okay? Walk away from conflict. That's what I did, and that's why I'm still alive. But I'm going to bust you out. I'm going to tell the truth. And anybody else that try to fuck with my energy, I'm going to address it. Unless my spirits tell me not to. Okay? Look, celebrity in reverse. It's not you, ho. It's not you, ho. You'll never be. You could never be. You'll never be. Okay? This is what this was about. You wanted my destiny. You wanted my money so that you could live a luxurious life, and people would look at you in envy and jealousy just like the same fucking energy that you look at them in. You really let me down, Venus, man. You was like, I looked at you as somebody like a mentor, man. Even if I didn't want to go to college route and become a lawyer or be in law enforcement like the rest of you following ass motherfuckers. Okay? But I am in law enforcement. See, it worked out. See, look at me now. Look at me now. Except the law that I work for is the divine infinite law, which outrules your courts any fucking day, bitch. This is why you're getting caught up now. I told y'all this was going to be a long reading because this comes from deep within my childhood and in my soul. And y'all take the messages as it resonates to your personal situations, but do not put your put your foot in the shoe that does not fit. Okay? Yeah, I'm about to blow up, and come the fuck up. Because I'm not easily swayed by y'all bullshit. I don't know. I guess what made me sit and think for 2 hours today, like when the spirit revealed to me this information about you and the dreams that I had about you and all of this shit aligning, I guess why I sat there for so long was because I just couldn't fucking understand, like, how do you do this to another human? Even if you do not like them, a single mother with their children, how do you, I just don't understand, okay? I don't understand. Yeah, you follow some dumb advice, you took some dumb advice. Y'all be so smart with these motherfucking degrees and shit, but y'all so goddamn dumb. This is that energy of street smarts, but no book smart. I mean, book smarts, but no street smarts that came out in the other reading. Okay? The backstory. So you did this basically with no backstory. You let Marion come in and Arthur come in and just lie to you. And then when you did find out that it was a lie, because it's telling me that you actually did research and you are subscribed to my channel, so I can't wait for you to see this message. Okay? Because you've been stalking me too to see if the magic worked. Okay? You still continued on with the magic. You did not uphold the vow that you took in the courts when you became a lawyer. Okay? Vermont out here. Okay? Bearing criminal. Look at here. Didn't I say murdered ancestors gay days? Alright? Look at here, you fucking criminal. Now you're about to be drugged to the underworld. You're about to be drugged to the underworld. That's what's about to happen here. Yep, I'm the lion. I overcome the fears. I ain't scared of shit. Not even death. I roll with her. Enough is enough, Venus. It's over. The whole situation is over. Okay? The whole situation is over. Lancaster, California. Okay? We got resources in reverse. You don't have any more resources. You don't have anywhere else to go. Astronomer, astrology. So yeah, y'all was doing these rituals under the moon. Y'all thought y'all knew what y'all was doing, but y'all didn't know what the fuck y'all was doing. Okay, y'all were very enthusiastic about the magic when y'all were doing it. Okay, but y'all are not so enthusiastic now. Sex, drugs, and money. This is what's going on in the orgy parties with the lawyer, the preacher, the nurse, the police officer. Like, what? Y'all sick as fuck, boy. Sick as fuck. My car's stuck together. I'm trying to get them apart, y'all. What else about her? Okay? Be mindful how you treat your body. It's too late, though, Venus. I told you, like, you got HIV. You got HIV. That's what you got. It's too late. Okay? 1313. 313. That's Metatron. Y'all already know. 44. Balance. Yeah, you into the occult masonry. You were trying to make it to the 44th degree. You came up short, though. Like, you kept trying, but you just keep coming up short with this 44th degree masonry. And I want to thank y'all, too. I ain't no Mason or whatever, but it still applies because, see, masonry is a bootleg of Dune and ancient spirituality anyways, right? So, because y'all did this to me, guess what degree I'm at, bitch? Guess what degree I'm at? I'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah, you wanted it, but it wasn't for you. And I didn't have to sell my soul to get it. I didn't have to go to a cult. I didn't have to join a coven. I didn't have to do sex magic in the graveyard. I was born with this shit. All I had to do was tap the fuck in. And I could have helped y'all tap the fuck in. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. 5 and 8. Change with haste. Change that does not feel good, but is absolutely necessary to put us on our journeys. And it's happening fast. What's 8 and 5? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, 13, 13. Again. I just heard the rhythm. Hold on, I'm hearing something, y'all. I don't know what the fuck this has to do with anything. But I just heard, feel the beat in the rhythm of the night. That's what I just heard. I don't know. Okay? But anyways, feel the beat in the rhythm of the night. Maybe they're going to come and get you at night like a thief in the night. There's going to be some type of commotion. Okay? Records are going to be restored. So whatever paperwork that you fucked up or did, 3113. So again, that was that 313. Metatron, the recorder angel. Ooh, there we go. So Metatron is the recorder angel. He sees all things and he records things. And we were just talking about the 313, which was Metatron, right? And now we have records restored. And we know that Venus ass went up to the courthouse and lied in front of the judge and falsified some documents. Okay? Yeah, stand alone in reverse. So they're, like I said, a group of people. Okay? I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't fucking with no broke niggas. You a gold digger. Okay? What does it say? High earner in reverse. So your career is shot, Venus. Because when you first started out, what made me so proud of you is that everybody loved you and you was a black woman and you was killing the legal system here in Missouri as a black woman. Okay? Angelic energy in reverse. So you have flat out demonic energy. So your money is disappearing because of this energy that you've been dealing with and what you have done to the divine one. Okay? Yeah, because you stopped this letter. You stopped the documentation, Venus. Okay? Supreme Courts. I'm not making this shit up. This shit just came out of the fucking oracle. You are going to be disbarred by the Supreme Courts, and you will be serving time in a Missouri federal penitentiary for your crimes, and you will be getting at least 25 years, Venus. Let me 25 years. But you won't last long because your long life and your longevity and shit is in reverse right here because you did them beauty spells and shit on me. So you won't make it 25 years. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. You won't make it 25 years. Always out here, Omega. In this bitch. Okay? What else do we have, Spirit? Shooting the breeze in reverse. Okay, so you thought that everything was good and you were just at peace and that you was about to take a new adventure. Okay, but you ended up in a sinkhole and you ain't going nowhere. Okay? Enterprise, Nevada, but it's in reverse. So it was some type of enterprise. Okay? It was some type of enterprise, some type of group, some type of community. Like I said, we finna go through this, y'all. I'm sorry if it's long and forever. I know my view count has been going on for quite a while, up and down, because it's early in the morning and people just want to sleep. But when y'all get up and y'all get well rested, it is what it is, okay? Balancing situations out. There go that scales. There go that Libra. There go the records being restored rightfully to who the fuck they supposed to be going to, the money, the house and the property. Okay, what else do I have? Spirit. My card's all flipped over. Sexual predator out here. I don't know what that's about, but they was doing some shit sexually concerning my energy and their own energy and death magic. Okay, 1010, the shit is over. That's my Momma Level 2. Yeah, buying property. So again, one of y'all motherfuckers have my house. One of y'all got my motherfucking house. Okay? And I'm finna get that shit back too. So I wouldn't worry about it. Important dates is out here. So that's the court date that's coming up. All right? I'll see you there in court. I'm excited about it. Are you excited? Okay, I'm excited. Look, switch that birth. So y'all knew that I was adopted. Y'all knew I was a part of this bloodline. Y'all knew who the fuck my mama was. Y'all knew I had money. Okay? Let's fight, bitch. Checkmate. Fighting a good fight. I ain't giving up. All right? I'm not giving up. I refuse to. Okay? You're mentally bound now. You lost your mind. Ops. Okay? That's who you are. You a fucking op. All right? Look at this, Venus. You know the law. You're a lawyer. You can't run from judgment. Thank you all for joining me for this Getting Venus's Ass session, because it's a long one. And I'm going to go through all these cards because I need to know. I need to know exactly what was done. And I get downloads without going through cards. And I had all the information before I even started this live here. But I got to show everybody else. All right? You can't run from judgment, okay? Or judges. Talk of the town. Everybody knows. Like I said, they all know what you have done to this child. Okay? Last residence for the serpent. So you got some type of reptilian shit going on with you. You also have multiple personalities. This is that Two of Pentacles. You was juggling resources, trying to see what you can use. And this is why these people's cases were not fulfilled, because you were using their money. You were juggling their money, trying to get magic to hurry up and off me so that you can get the big fish. Okay? It did not work. All right. What else do we have? Ooh, Venus. I don't even feel bad. I don't give a fuck. If I had a gun, I'd hand it to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you, girl. I ain't gonna lie to you, because that's the same fucking energy you had towards me, an eye for an eye. Like, for real, for real. Please, bitch. Do us all a favor. Do us all a favor. And I don't promote this, all right? But I do promote judgment, justice, order. And however the fuck that judgment, justice, and order have to come about, I'm with it. The kingdom suffers violence. And the violence taken by force. Period. Okay? Casually dating in reverse. Okay, yeah, you can't date right now, Venus. I know you married, but y'all got AIDS, so y'all can't be doing that. Okay? Oh, look, you mad. You mad. You mad. I can't argue with you. You wanna argue. I can't argue with you. Look at you. Look at you. Okay, yeah, this is a very empowering message that I'm delivering right now. It's empowering me, definitely. Okay? Definitely. I feel empowered. I do. Okay? Reaching agreements is out here. It's kind of like in reverse, but it's out here. The courts has reached an agreement already. Okay? On this situation. They know something else was going on. Like I said, when you went to the judge and you lied, and you know me personally, and you knew that the person that you had signing my paperwork and shit like that was not me, the judge knew something was up. You better watch your 12, your 3, your 6, and your 9. Okay? Distorted masculine is out here as well. Like I said, we already know that this person was in cahoots with this masculine, the karmic masculine guy or whatever, to get this great fortune, this hidden treasure. Okay, sex addiction, which goes into line before I even started pulling cards of what I said you was guilty of. These orgies, these like group sex rituals and shit. Okay, makes up anything and cries wolf. That's probably why y'all like each other. 38-38, because Arthur's a liar, Marion's a liar, Leah's a liar, you're a liar, Alicia's a liar. Birds of a feather flock together. That's probably why y'all like each other. Okay? They don't have the courage to make the changes for what they really want. And that's what's really wrong with you, Venus and crew. Courage to make the change for the things that you life. The inner changes. So you try to put on a good look for the outside world with degrees and certificates and nice suits. But inside you are filthy and you are disgusting. And you will be dealt with by the Most High. I got time today. I'm up all night on it. Spirit been on my ass heavy. Okay? Yeah, if you know better, do better. Okay? Now you're stuck in the dark. You can't go back to the light at all. You're under some type of spell. The spell work that you cast for me, yeah, you're under that now. That's what's going on, and you're wondering why you can't sleep. Okay? That's it right there. Departure, you're wondering if you're going to die. Venus, yeah, honey. Here, let me show you. There will be no healing, no rejuvenation, no mercy from God, and no long life. Yeah, honey, you finna depart. Okay? You disrespected the law. Okay? You held back money. Look. Ain't nobody lying on you, Venus. I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. I'm finna go give me an outfit, Venus. You know, give me an outfit for court. All right. You know, Arthur, he got his suit already ready. This nigga keep a suit on every fucking day, so you know his suit already ready. Okay? He wear a suit every fucking day. He don't give a fuck if it's 110 degrees outside. This nigga got on a suit, 40-40. All right, pack your bags in reverse. Venus, you're not finna get away, honey. Okay? And if you try to get away, I'm going to repeat that. If you try to get away, they're just going to take you out. And I'm not talking about a human. You know what you was dealing with. So if you just get into this reading or CIA or whoever the fuck you is in the fucking federal government that's watching me, because I know you fucking watching me. Listen here. It's the spirits fucking them up because I'm their baby. It's not me fucking them up. And I'll be willing to be observed. Well, y'all been observing me anyways. But I'll be willing to be observed. And even allow somebody to fuck with me. To just let y'all see how that shit work. Okay? Don't overspend, Venus. You got to get a lawyer. Okay? Or you know what? You can represent yourself. You know what you can do, Venus? You can represent yourself. Ooh, Venus. Look, Venus. You represent yourself. All right? Y'all went to the spiritual high court and lied. Look at this, Venus. Never go against your true nature. Never go against your true self. Spirit is also showing me, just like I dreamed about you, you dreamed about me too. You dreamed about that little girl that was at your grandma's house in the driveway trying to see do she got some snacks and watch her plant her roses. Right? So you had that dream when they was warning you to not do this. And I said to myself, Venus, I'm going to tell you this too, because I was unclear with the visions that I was given right after the funeral, right? Of my aunt that y'all murdered, right? So I was unclear exactly with the visions and shit. So I said to myself, because they told me how much money it was, if Alicia and Venus had my back, I'm going to bless them. I'm going to make them rich. Look at you, bitch. Just look at you. I was your blessing, period. Because you could have took your skills in law to help me. And I would have definitely made your life better. Now you finna be in the penitentiary and broke. But, you know, you like that shit anyways. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Keeping secrets in reverse. Okay? Spirit said no more. Mask off. Mask off. Okay, you in this weird ass energy. People looking at you like you weird too. Your co-workers, your colleagues, you're not the same. That's somebody said that to you. I heard Joanne. Okay, yeah, motherfucker, that scared the shit out of you, didn't it? Joanne told your motherfucking ass. Venus, you're not the same anymore. Like when you first started, like you're just not the same anymore. Are you okay? What's going on? Bitch is on drugs, Joanne. Joanne, your suspicions are correct. This bitch is on drugs and she cannot keep her appointments and show up for court because she's in the fucking graveyard at 3 a.m. and court is at 9 a.m. Okay? Yeah, Joanne, you know what the fuck going on. Joanne, I don't even know you. But I promise you, Joanne, if you do the right thing, I'm gonna take care of you. Y'all see that shit? Did y'all see that shit? How I said, and that's on my soul, and then my shit cut the fuck out. Did y'all see that shit? And I sat here and I'm like, ooh, wee, spirit. I'm hitting that shit right now, y'all. I'm hitting that shit right fucking now. Right fucking now, I'm hitting that shit. And they know it, and I know you bitches is watching. Not you, Joanne. Joanne, I don't know you. I know you a white lady. All right? Look, and now my count just went down. Joanne, why the fuck you get off here? Go back and watch this video, Joanne. I know that you are a white lady. And I know that you know what's going on. I know that you are aware of the situation. I had Joanne Milstein. Joanne Milbarrow or Milstein. Something like that. You said Marie Laveau Fest was yesterday. Asha. I have a grand trine in my birth chart with Pluto, Jupiter, and Neptune. Okay, so that's your planetary trinity then. Trinity spirits exist in all forms, like the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, the matriarch, the matriarch, the maiden, and the crone. You said it was yesterday. I shaded my Marie Laveau. Oh, well, they got whatever karma they deserve. That's right, Shante King. Okay, tree of life, the Kabbalah. All right. They are not written in the book of life, Venus. You're not in the book of life. Like I said, your bloodline has been banned for coming up against a divine infinite all. You also are coming up against the charges of stealing from ancestors. Because the inheritance was piled up over many generations, and that's why it's so much money. Because the divine bloodlines, each family has that, and it's generational wealth. It is built up, and it is for designated only the divine chosen one that breaks the actual curses. And throughout that bloodline, it's gonna be several people that come very close to it, but it's not gonna go. Because they're not the chosen one, but they'll come very, 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 very close to it. And since they know they can't put themselves in that energy of healing and in that vibration, they can't make it up that high, they don't apply for it. They don't qualify for that. So what they do is they start to kill off the divine ones that will make it, so that they can keep hold of the inheritance. Okay? Yeah, they just wanted to blow this inheritance. Venus, you just wanted to blow my money. I heard you wanted to buy a white car with my shit. It was like a white car. It looked like a Chevrolet. A white Chevrolet with my money. Okay, you are being controlled by why do I say demonic? Demonic entities. I swear to God, my motherfucking divine masculine better not be fucking whatever the fuck his name is. I swear to God. Because I just had a vision of him. I don't know why the fuck I just seen him when I said that he's not participating in this. Okay, I'll come back to that later. Anyways, yeah, this was going on. What else do we have, Spirit? This is a long video, y'all. Please, bear with me, because I'm going to get all the information out as I'm channeling the Spirit. And I don't give a fuck how long this shit take, because I got to get this shit out of my soul so I can heal. And I have to expose these people, not people, but the entities that live inside of the people. So Venus, I want you to understand something, okay? I don't have no V for vendetta against you, even though you may have one against me, and you may be extremely jealous, covetous, and envious against me. I have none of that shit against you at all, okay? I don't. The spirits have a problem with you. All right, somebody could wear a fitted hat in this situation. All right, solidification. So whatever you have done has been solidified by the divine infinite all. You stole this money. It just is what it is. It came out again. Okay? Yeah, you wanted to make me suffer for no reason. Yeah, man. Okay? I got my popcorn ready, though. Look. You stole my money. You wanted to make me suffer for no reason. Spirit been telling me to get my popcorn because you finna go to jail. It's just that simple. Okay, Avery is out here, so somebody named Avery can be involved in the situation. Okay, lies, and more lies. That was proven with the information in the beginning. Okay, this is like a soap opera. So when you guys get up and you watch this, hopefully y'all watch the whole thing. Heaven in reverse, like I said, you going to hell and jail. And that both just came out, Venus. So trust me when I tell you. Okay, and I was like right. I was absolutely right with everyone that I have psychically diagnosed with HIV. Every last one of you motherfuckers. Every last one of you. I am absolutely right. Go get tested. Please go get tested, okay? All right? You are always moving forward in reverse. Venus, you're always moving backwards, bitch, okay? Unexplained deaths. This is why we're here. This is exactly why we're here, 3333. And that is the number of the ancestors. And it's 3 people here now. Listen. Y'all are tied to hiring hitmans to kill me. I want you to really think about what you have done, Venus. All right? And everyone else involved in this situation. But Venus, I'm on your ass right now because you who Spirit told me to look at. I was minding my fucking business, and out of nowhere, she said, do. And I said, oh, really? And that's how this happened. This is why you're here. I wasn't thinking about you, bitch, all day or nothing. Okay? But y'all are tied to attempting to murder people for money. And it was something, too, I had looked at a video of you today, too. And it says the cases that you handle is the exact type of fucking crimes that your ass is involved in. The cases that you handle. Yeah, you need to represent yourself. I want to see how far that shit go. Okay? You need to represent yourself because you do murder. You're over murder, family courts, inheritances, trust funds. Okay? What is it? Trust and probates. lawyer? So all the crimes that you're committing, did you become a lawyer so that you can do this to people? Like, what the fuck? Okay, because everything that you specialize in is everything that you're doing. Grand larceny. Okay? You stole from an ancestor. Let me just put that up there right quick. I don't even know if you can see him. Turn it up to him because that's who you stole it from. Remember, he was once a human. You stole from an ancestor that was also a divine chosen one. Because remember, he did what the fuck he was supposed to do, and then he got exalted to archangel status. So it was his money that was willed to me. And you stole. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know how long we've been live though. It's like 3:10. I think I was live at like 1 o'clock. I don't know. But I'm still finna keep going because I'm finna get this shit out of my system because something is finna happen in 3 days. Even though I said shit until I go back and watch the video or whatever. And I don't take back shit that I say. I don't give a fuck. I'm just going back to watch it because now Bayla needs to see it. Edie needs to watch it. Okay? That's why. Okay? So I can get the messages. Look, afraid to close your eyes. That's why you up right now watching this shit, Venus. Okay? That's why you up right now watching this shit, because you afraid to close your eyes. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, common sense in reverse. Like I said, you don't have any common sense. And then that came out in the angels as well. And the other cards, like, you don't have any divine wisdom. You have no guidance from your ancestors, angels, and guides. You have been cut off from divine guidance, wisdom. Like, you just a fool out here in this street, okay? Divine intervention. You were stopped by God. So don't be shook and shook it, okay? Because I know that you're sitting there and you're like, how did this happen? How did this happen? Do not worry, Venus. We grew up together. I'm here for you to give you these answers. You were stopped by God, bitch. Okay? You were stopped by God. All right? Look. Okay, so Satha Appareto Tena Apparatus, right? This is on the dollar, right? But this is also some Masonic occult shit, right? And it's like he who sews the web weaver, okay? And this is actually like the chosen one or whatever, but it is a cult. And I explained to you guys recently with the passing of my birth mother that my family is a cult. And I didn't know that. I didn't know that they were into sacrificing people and shit like that. They disguise themselves as Christians. So I'm the sewer of the mystery. I'm the one that's going to put the pieces of the puzzle. I'm going to take the needle and the thread and I'm going to sew the shit together. Okay? What else? Lungs, arms, and hands. So there's some Gemini energy out here as well. I don't know what your sign is, Venus. I never checked. Okay? You're never satisfied at all. So you keep having flashbacks. Missing you is in reverse. You keep having these flashbacks. Oh, I love this because this is freaking you the fuck out. Okay, so you keep having these flashbacks of seeing me as a little girl, as a child. You keep having these it's like the same one flashback over and over again. Like you're pulling up to your grandmother's driveway, and you're getting out of your car, and you're looking over, and I'm running over to you, and I'm like, "Hi, Venus." That's what you keep seeing over and over in your head. Okay. Okay, Venus. UPS is out here as well. So, again, I'm going to get that letter. Y'all don't know where I'm at. And the reason why I haven't got my money yet is because, like, they don't know where I'm at, but the CIA knows where I'm at, and the FBI knows where I'm at. So, I'm getting that letter, bitch. It ain't shit you can do. All right, David is out here. I think this is my granddaddy. This is your granddaddy. That's why I wear his star. You know what I'm saying? That's my granddaddy. All right. Peeping time. So you are being watched, Venus. Somebody's watching you. It could be, the feds or whatever, because they said the feds had a plan concerning the situation. They have a plan. Okay? And somebody's going to be coming forward, speaking important truths. Joanne, this is you, honey. Okay? It's the reason why Spirit got me on this fucking live for 3 hours and shit. I don't do that. Y'all watch me. Y'all stalk me. So y'all already know that about an hour 15 minutes, I'm going to cut this shit out. All right? Spirit, Joanne, listen to me. Spirit said they're going to give you immunity, okay? From the whole entire situation. They're going to give you immunity. All right, Joanne? Look, opportunity of a lifetime. Joanne, I don't know you. But like I said, I promise you, if you do the right thing and I come to find out that it was you that did the right thing, I'm going to take care of you. You ain't never going to have to work again. Okay? Book of Numbers 10. Let me just pull that up because I got time today. Where my battery at? Let me look at my phone battery. Oh, fuck. I'm ready to keep going because I feel like I need all this information to be out anyways. I can plug it up to my laptop. Plug it up to my laptop. Okay, so the book of Numbers 10. If this is what I think it is, I'm really finna scream in this motherfucker. Okay, so the book of Numbers 10, King James Version. And the Lord saith unto Moses, make these 2 trumpets of silver of a whole piece. Shalt thou make them? Thou shalt mayest use them for the calling of the assembly of the journeying of the camps. And when they shall blow them, all the assembly shall assemble themselves to thee at the door of the tabernacle of the congregation. And if they blow but with 1 trumpet, then the princes, and I have to tell y'all this too, that shit with Prince EA, so Spirit was like principality, and I had just said, I'm right here, I ain't stopping shit, so y'all stay with me, okay? For we war not against flesh and blood, but we war against spiritual wickedness in high places and rulers and principalities. That's not the order that it's in, but you get what I'm saying? And then Prince doing that shit, like, yeah. I clicked that today too with a download. This nigga's a principality. Okay? Because I'm a fucking empress. You're a prince. That means you're a page. You're literally walking around here in page energy. You're a childlike energy. I'm just saying, and I ain't throwing no shade at no motherfucking body. I'm only speaking truths. Anyways, so now we are at Numbers 10 and 4. And if they blow but 1 trumpet, and then the princes, which are heads of thousands of Israel, shall gather themselves unto thee. When ye blow an alarm, then the camps that lie on the east parts shall go forward. When ye blow an alarm the 2nd time, then the camps that lie on the south side shall take their journey. We did have the journey card out, okay? And then you shall blow an alarm for all of their journeys. But when the congregation is to be gathered together, ye shall blow, but not sound ye alarm. And when the sons of Aaron, the priest, okay, high priest, high priestess, okay? And when the sons of Aaron, the priest, shall blow with the trumpets, and they shall be to you for an ordinance for throughout your generations, okay? So this is also an example of the divine orchestra and how shit is working out. Okay, so now we are at 10 and 9. And if ye go to war in a land against the enemy that oppresseth you, then ye shall blow an alarm with the trumpets, and ye shall be remembered before the Lord your God, which is the divine infinite all, okay? Or whatever the fuck you want to call him personally for yourself, okay? And you shall be saved from your enemies. This is why I'm blowing a fucking trumpet on your ass, because I'm finna be saved from this shit. Just watch, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Okay, anyways. Do I sound scared, Venus? Do I sound scared? Arthur, Marion, Leah, Mikey, Niecy, Val, anybody? Rachel, Susan? Do I sound scared? Huh? Anyways, let's keep going. We're on the verses. We're on the verses. We're in the verses of the song. Right now we have the orchestra, the maestro. Now we in the verses. Okay? Anyways. Now we're at 10:10. Also in the day of your gladness, and in your solemn days, and in the beginning of your months, ye shall blow the trumpets over your burnt offerings and over the sacrifices of your peace offerings, that they may be to you for a memorial before your God, and I am the divine infinite all. 11. And it came to pass on the 20th day, on the 2nd month, on the 20th day, on the 2nd month, so that's February 20th, right? And then our numbers today was like 22222, right? So February 20th. Something happened on February 20th. All right. I'm trying to put my shit together, y'all. Bear with me. Because I'll be having downloads in between. So when it came to pass on the 20th day on the second month in the second year that the cloud was taken up from the tabernacle off of the testimony. And the children of Israel took their journeys out of the wilderness of Sinai. And the cloud rested in the wilderness of Paran. And they first took their journey according to the commandment by the divine infinite all at the hand of Moses. In the first place went the standard of the camp of the children of Judah. Okay, and I said David, and I thought David was my granddaddy, and I was saying, like, I was thinking that was my granddaddy because, you know, King David. Okay? So according to their armies, and over his host was Nahshon, the son of Amminadab, and over the host of the tribe of the children of Issachar was Nathaniel, the son of Zuar. Nathaniel, ain't he on the board? Or, yep, that's him right here. Here we go. Nathaniel, God the King of Heaven. All right. 16, and over the host of the tribe of the children of Zebulun, it was Eliab, the son of Helon, and the tabernacle was taken down, and the sons of Jershon and the sons of Merari set forth, bearing the tabernacle, and the standard of the camp of Reuben set forth according to their armies, and over his host was Elazar, the son of Shedador, and over the host of the tribe of the children were Simeon, and Shemael, the son of Zerashadai, and the host of the tribe of the children of Gad was Elisaphat. Okay? So it is going into some type of lineage, and I was thinking that it was going into some type of lineage, but it is going into some type of lineage. Okay? The tribes of Israel being gathered into the camps. And over the host of the children of the tribe of Asher was Pigael. That's Commander Ashtar. And over the host of the tribe of Naphtali was Ahira, the son of Enan. Thus they were journeying the children of Israel according to their armies when set forth. So again, bombs over Baghdad, war energy. Somebody's going to war up against their enemies, the tribe of Judah, the chosen people are. Okay? Let's see. Self-sacrifice. So by trying to sacrifice this person, Venus, you ended up sacrificing yourself. They had an army, okay? Tribes, legions behind them. And they were delivered from the hands of their enemies. It's your own fault that you're in this situation. You're not going to be able to walk away. You have blocked your own divine destiny, okay? Chile is out here. Humanism is out here as well. But I feel like you lack humanism. Y'all lack humanism. Y'all lack human emotion. Y'all lack empathy. Y'all on some psychopathic shit, okay? Attraction spells reverse. Didn't I say you did beauty spells on me, bitch? Didn't I say that? Okay? Highly ranked amongst the spirits in reverse. They don't like you. Okay? Yeah, you're broken about this too. You thought the spirits would like... Why did you think... Venus, don't tell me you thought that the documentation that you had here meant anything to the divine infinite all. Don't tell me that you thought the degrees and the certifications that you had obtained here in your earthly walk meant anything to the divine infinite all. Like, please don't fucking tell me that shit. Okay, look. Crush the shit out of your ego. This is how I know you watching this video, okay? Crush the shit out of your ego. You thought this shit was a game, okay? You thought it was hyper realistic. You didn't think it was real. This is what they said. I'm finna go to, man. I'm finna just keep on going. I'm not playing. Okay? Period. Now you're about to experience spirit. You didn't believe in God. You was a LGBT, whatever it is, LGBT atheist is what spirit is saying. Not there's anything wrong with you being LGBT, because I have some spirits that are over that community that I deal with and I'm able to commune within, like Azuli Dantur and Santa Muerte as well. She deals with the LGBT community as well, because, you know, that's where the outcasts go. You know, but anyways, you're now knowing that God really is real, okay? Yeah, and the truth is stranger than fiction. You're shooketh, okay? Period. Green in reverse, so your money has been blocked. Venus, your money is blocked. Your love and respect has been blocked, and that's personal and in the community, okay? Your love and your respect has now been blocked, okay? Spirit told you to be careful. You were not. You didn't care, okay? So you were allowed to have a mist placed over your eyes, which is another spirit, Venus. You have spiritual attachments on you, Venus. You need an exorcism, Venus, okay? You said, hey, you woke back up, you fell asleep and woke back up. Yep. Hey, girl. Okay. You need an exorcism, Venus. Okay? Yeah. Victory in reverse, Venus, you lost. Okay? Body language. And this is what Joanne was talking about, Venus. This is what Joanne is talking about. Your body language is off. Joanne been with you for some years, Venus. Okay? And your body language is off. All right? I think she thought she was on drugs. That's true too. Okay? You are on drugs. We know that. Okay? But you're possessed, honey. And that's why you're having these emotional highs and lows, and you keep going in and out, because you fuck with graveyard magic and sex magic because you thought you had the credentials to do so. It's really funny to me because it's like they're really showing me like you going into the spiritual course because you learn how to astral travel with your fucking certifications. You really are fool. You really are fool. Okay? You really are. What else? Okay? Bizarre energy. That's what you're possessed. That's what it is that you're feeling. You're in your body right now because Spirit wants you to get this message, Venus. All right? So you're going to be allowed to fully comprehend and fully understand everything that I'm saying to you in this 3-hour message. Okay? You're going to get all the information that you need right here from the person you tried to kill for money. Okay? And from the person that you stole from. All right? The bizarre energy that you're feeling is possession. Arthur, right? Arthur, he's the host. Just like, you know, he's the secondary leader of the pack. He is the host. So when y'all having orgies and shit like that, he has a legion of spirits in him. Where the fuck you thought them spirits went? In you. Okay? What does it say? Gifted for real in reverse, girl. Hush. Y'all is not gifted for real. Y'all is not gifted for real. CNA is out here. That's you, Sierra, or Nano, or whoever, one of you nurse bitches that's in this group, okay? Astrological predictions, okay? And this is also documentation that you tried to falsify in the spiritual courts as well as the physical courts, okay? With the birth chart, checking into the Akashic records, and that's why we had the card come out saying that records are going to be restored to the way that they were supposed to be and the way that they were originally written. You fucked up here, Venus. And I think that's why they're having me do this and like sit down and have this talk. And I'm really glad that I'm able to do this with you, Venus, okay? I'm really, really glad that I'm able to do this with you. Because you didn't know what the fuck you was getting into. I'm going to now explain you law, honey. You thought because you knew something about paperwork that you was going to get away with this, okay? Cutting themselves. Venus, honey. It could be physical or it could be spiritual. But you damn sure cut yourself. Okay? Ancient goddess. Look, this is how you cut yourself. This is who the fuck I am. And you know it. All of 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 you. This shit is not over. I just want y'all to know. So, because y'all went into the spirit realm, the darkness where anything can happen, I have to allow the spirit to do what they're going to do in the 3D, right? So once you get through over here in this realm and you went to jail and then you've crossed over and then you went to hell, I am going to chase you around for all of eternity. I'm going to get you never escape. I'm going to have my chains my spiritual chains, watch what I tell you. And I don't mind saying this on camera because what the fuck you gonna do? Go on the other realm and do something? We war not against flesh and blood. See, y'all thought the war was against flesh and blood, which is why y'all tried to physically kill me and take my money. But the war is not against flesh and blood. You don't know how to fight in spirit. None of you motherfuckers know how to fight in spirit like I do. And it's just that simple. That's why I took 30 of y'all, a whole entire community, to come up against me. Little old me. And I don't have no support. Y'all know I ain't got no support because y'all put spells out there to make sure I didn't have it. And I still came out on top. Y'all finna make me famous. The very thing y'all didn't want. Y'all finna make me famous. The very thing y'all did not want for me. You didn't want me to have fame and high honor because you didn't feel like I deserved it. You didn't feel like I was pretty enough or girly enough or like fucking royal looking enough. This is what royalty look like, bitch. Get used to it. My bloodline don't play no games, all right? My bloodline don't play no game. Gratitude to my bloodline, period. Period, point blank. And I'm going to be honest with you. Ancestors, angels, and guides is giving gratitude for this ancient goddess that's coming down here and doing what the fuck needs to be done. Bringing justice into order. Okay? Because it was your job to do so and you didn't do it. Friday, that's tomorrow. That's today. That's today. 4242. Venus. Honey. I think something about to happen to you, honey. I really do. I really do. Because I was not thinking about you. I don't know why spirit got me all up in your energy, but I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. I am enjoying what I'm seeing. I am. Because I was having visions about this with no proof. Open and shut case. This is exactly what the fuck this shit finna be, Venus. You know how that work, right? You a lawyer, right? You know how that work? It's already an open and shut case. All they gotta do is find me and get me where I'm going. Okay? Look, Venus. I'm fucking trolling you, but with truth, okay? I'm trolling the shit out your ass, but with truth. And it feels good. I didn't deserve any of this. And you know it. Arthur, you know it. Marion, you know it. Valerie, you know it. Nisi, you know it. Buster, you know it. Marie, you know it. I might not have been your particular cup of tea, but that don't mean I deserve to die. I'm still, like I said, it's bittersweet for me. You know what I'm saying? It's bittersweet for me. Hospitalization is out here. Watch your 23, your 6, and your 9, Venus. You did all that spell work, okay? LGBTQ community, what did I say? What did I say? LGBTQ community, okay? Y'all all said I was crazy. Y'all all said I wasn't psychic. Y'all all said that shit. Y'all all said that. What the fuck you gotta say now? What do you have to say now? What do you gotta say now? What do you have to say now? Oracle, cars, everything been picking up on y'all losing houses, jobs, and cars. You don't even have a license to practice anymore. Handed down by the Supreme Courts because of what you did to me. Now that part was not publicized. But see, I know the truth. And they know the truth. And you know the truth. And you know what? God know the truth. Okay? Look, record setting. They said they was going to restore records. And now the record is going to be set straight, honey. It's over. Okay? Spirit said you need to stop trying to fit in. Okay? And that's the message for somebody as well that comes across this video. When you leave high school, you still in high school, my nigga. You still in high school. You get a job in these offices, you still in high school. Everybody want to be popular. Everybody want to be most liked. Everybody want to be everything. Like, stop it. Grow the fuck up. Okay? Grow the fuck up. Input, output. Well, so what I'm getting with that, Venus, like I said when I started this reading 5 hours and 35 minutes ago, I said what you reap, you will sow. What you put out there, you're going to get back. And it's happening to you right now. Look, Venus, look. Look, Venus. Dirty money. You got this dirt all on your hands, man. Oh, Venus. I'm mad at you, girl. I was so fucking proud of you, like, as a child, just looking at you like, she's my role model. I don't want to be just like her, but she's pretty successful, and I see that, and I'm happy for her. You know what I'm saying? For real, for real. This is the truth, man. This is the truth. What I'm saying right now in this reading is the truth. Divine Infinite All. Willis. Angels of the High Court. What was that other angel? Angel of Righteousness. Lights went out. Angel of Righteousness. Okay? Come through, Spirit. Okay? And reveal this truth. Okay? Do not accept gifts at this time. You better not try to give me none of that fucking money back. I would never accept anything from any of you guys. It does not matter who you send the money through or how it comes in. I'm going to be able to discern the spirit. I would never lie to you. I would never lie to you because it's just not in my character. Okay? You're not going to be able to trip me up on any wrong way. Okay? Look at this. Didn't I say they gave you warnings? I said I gave you warnings. Okay? They gave you warnings not to do this to me, Venus, and you did it anyways. 5 days in reverse. Something could have happened 5 days ago. Fist fighting family. I know. Everybody in that motherfucker fighting. Because everybody's career is on the line. Everybody finances. Everybody generation is on the line. Everybody life is on the line. Everybody who put my life on the line, their life is now on the line. I got my popcorn. It's pretty amusing. Okay? Yeah. Y'all didn't think I was, did you? Y'all didn't think I was. I smoke a lot of weed. I know looks can be deceiving. Looks can be deceiving. Look at you, Venus. Didn't I say that? Afraid you finna get caught. You're caught already. Especially after this video. Since I'm in my psychic mode and I'm downloading, I did hear just Spirit just say, like, there is a detective that's going to actually sit and watch this whole video. And it's going to be a change just off of this right here because I was obedient to the Spirit. I even sat down and I was like, you sure you want me to do this, Spirit? You sure you're sure? You sure you're sure, Spirit? You sure you're sure you're sure? They're like, yeah. I asked a couple of spirits. Actually, I went to 3 different spirits and my higher self. Like, are y'all sure y'all want me to go about this way? Yeah, we want you to do this. We want you to cry loud. We want you to spare not. Okay? You're getting caught. Okay? And this is happening very soon. Okay? This is fast moving energy, Wands energy. Venus, you're not running anywhere. Your foundation is crumbling. You're a 1-star rated lawyer from a 5-star rated lawyer. Okay? Balancing scales is out here. There I go. There go to justice right here. Venus, Libra, energy. There's the justice right there. Okay? God is encoded in gods. See, you couldn't recognize who the fuck you was dealing with. Because you're not a god. This is what this is saying. God is encoded in guys. So just like I was telling my tribe the other day, that when you run into your soul tribe, the people that's supposed to be with you and all the other shit, when you run into those people, you're going to instantly recognize them because real recognize real, truth recognize truth, right? Y'all couldn't see this because y'all ain't of God. Shit, okay? It just is what it is. But y'all thought I wasn't of God because I got tattoos, piercings, and I cuss. But actually, I'm his favorite in this situation. Okay? Because I don't have no ego or pride standing in this situation. I've been humbled by all the shit that y'all have put me through and all the magic that y'all have done on me. I've been very humbled. I've seen how the nature and the laws work. So I don't be out here fucking around on no negative energy and doing wrong stuff to people or being involved in the things that are not right. Because I already know what that looks like. I'm watching it happen to you. Ain't nobody stupid. Who the fuck? And we're watching this shit happen to you. Nobody wants to go through that. Nobody wants that experience in their life. My light already off, so I'm finna just plug in my phone. So I can keep going. Because I got my foot in your ass right now. And it feels good. Yeah. It feels good. If it really feels good to you, baby, let me hear you say, man. That was an orgy I was having. It probably felt real good, but you all down in the dumps now. Anyways, self-preservation. That's what you should have thought about, Venus. That's what you should have thought about when you were approached with the offer to backstab me, murder me, steal my money. When you were approached with this offer, Venus, you should have did the right thing and you should have preserved yourself, because now you're losing everything. Now you're losing everything. Okay? Storm ahead. Head first into the storm. You go. Okay? Westworld is out here. So I'm getting the gatherings of the tribes. Spirit said you have no appreciation, Venus. Your ancestors are angry with you, and because I'm a medium, I'm gonna allow them to speak. They're not on your side anyways anymore. Let me light me some smoke, because I've been in this reading for a long time. Your ancestors said they gave you everything. They gave you everything. They gave you top honors, graduating class. They gave you everything. And you had no appreciation. You were never satisfied, just like that card came out. You were never satisfied. You were greedy. You were envious. You were jealous. You wanted more earthly possessions, materializations. You thought that is what made you. So they gave that to you, and you still allowed jealousy, envy. Those are the demons, right? So Venus, let me help you out, honey. I'm gonna help you out. Okay, so there is a group of demons. I'm back, y'all. I'm finna get this information out, Venus, okay? So it's 7 of them, right? And I also do believe that they represent the 7 deadly sins. It is actually an actual demon, right? But it's one, but they're kind of all. I'm going to help this bitch out. Okay, let me turn my camera around. We just gonna finish it as a blackout because I gotta be up against this wall. Okay. But anyways, as I was saying, there are 7 demon spirits. They all come as one. It's like envy, jealousy, all of that shit. You need to look them up, right? And you need to see how you can get that shit together, Venus, okay? Because that's who's attached to you. Also, there's a sex demon attached to you as well. I also heard that your ass is barren. Not to put all your business out there like that, but that's what they said, so I'm going to say what the fuck they said. They said you barren. All right, so let's get back into this oracle until we done with our pal. All right. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to drop some shit. Oh, Batala. So again, the creator God is out here beating your ass. Loss of sanity. I just got to show you this. Because I'm not making it up. Like, you are fucking gone in the head. Gone in the head, dead, okay? Okay. Oya's out here. So that is the keeper of the graveyard. So we got the creator God out here, as well as the keeper of the graveyard on your ass. Okay? There's some animals that told on you, Venus. I don't know what the fuck you did with some animals, but there's some animals out here that have also testified before the divine infinite all on what you did to them. I don't know what the fuck you did. Like, I heard something with their blood. You did something with their blood. Idaho is out here. Thank you to my loyal supporters. Your priorities were fucked up. We got priorities in reverse. Okay? You were very slothful. You were very lazy. And this is why your business went down as well. Because once you found out about the money that was inherited to me, somebody you knew very well, okay, once you found out about that shit, you started to let your business slide because I had enough money for you to live off of forever. Okay? How dare you move forward without me? Yeah, that's what all you motherfuckers are saying. Okay? How dare you be the one to be chosen? How dare you move forward without me? We all came from the same spot. I have more education than you. How did you make it farther than me? Gabby is out here. I just heard that from Matilda. I'm big, you're little. What'd she say? I mean, what did he say to her? I'm big, you're little. I'm smart, you're dumb. And then it activated her fucking powers. That's what happened to me. That's what y'all did to me. Y'all carried me. Yeah, that's what you thought, though. But that's not what the true story is, okay? Baby maker in reverse. Yeah, your ass is barren. You can't have no kids. Venus, I'm disgusted with your energy. I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't even want to say what I just fucking saw as to why you can't have any children, okay? Hate that purifies. Bobby Hemmett. Injustice. Liars. Cheaters. Scammers. Yeah. Bitch, I fucking hate you. Fucking hate you. Ooh, ooh, I hate you. I hate you. Bitch, I fucking hate you. Ooh, ooh. It's righteous hate. Because people be saying hate is bad. That's why I had to put this in the oracle. Because Bobby Hemmett has a point. People, but don't you hate a liar? Don't you hate when people are done wrong? Don't you hate being cheated by cheaters? Don't you hate being scammed by scammers? Yeah, that's righteous hate. Okay? Intense infestation. Venus, you have demonic parasites attachments to you because of what you have been involving yourself in, okay? You really need to be exercised, okay? Conflicted, that's the energy that you're in right now. You don't know what to do. Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana. You flip-flopping and shit. That's the demons, okay? So you might not even know who you are at this point, Venus. You don't know who you are right now. You don't know what happened to you. You don't know what's going on, why you're losing your mind. It's because you no longer have possession of your mind. Okay, construction site in reverse. Yeah, faulty foundation. Whatever you was building on, you did something spontaneously without thinking. Okay? Yeah, look at this. Look, look. They say you underestimated my power. Look. That's what they said that you did. I believe them. Okay? Look, you also understand it. You underestimated, look. You also underestimated my ancestral protection. You all did. Y'all also underestimated that shit. Okay? Look, Pantheon. Y'all understand, y'all underestimated my legion of spirits. That's what y'all underestimated. Okay? Y'all thought whatever y'all had done had been unseen. Invisibility in reverse. You are not cloaked. You are not protected. You are not covered. None of y'all. The name Dylan is out here. All right? Lazy is out here. Again, that's your slothfulness. So that's a verification. Someone you can count on in reverse. Yeah, I really thought that, you are an upright person. I really did, Venus. You're not somebody that you can count on. Generosity in reverse. You're stingy. You don't want to give to nobody. Self-medicating. You are on drugs. Like I said, you're not getting that license back. Okay, Venus? You're not getting that license back. You will not be practicing anymore. It's done. You thought you thought you was going to get it back, didn't you? After this 2 years, you're going to be in prison. Like I said, you're going to be in prison. You'll be in jail by the end of 2022. You'll be in prison by mid 2023. All right, and I like doing this because I'm psychic, and y'all said I was crazy, so I gotta do it. I gotta do it to you, okay? So I can just prove how crazy I really am not. Anyways, acts like they single, but they're not. I don't know what this is. I mean, you are married and you are sleeping with, group sex situations, so that could be it as well. All right. What else do we have out here? Spirit, rain. Like I said, the storm is ahead. Aunt Oya is out here, which is the energy of life and death. Look, physically jailed. Venus. Girl. Y'all said I was crazy. You signed off on some paperwork that said I was crazy. That's what you did. And I'm sitting here sane in the motherfucker, reading you your rights. Okay? Miramar, Florida is out here. What did I say? Metatron 313. He came out in here. You're being attacked by the holy angels of God. You have demons on your ass too, but it's like you're getting jumped right now. Okay? You're getting jumped right now by all kinds of forces. I heard that's my baby again. Okay? So it's like you're getting jumped by all kinds of cosmic, demonic, angelic forces, infinite forces, elder council. You're also being attacked by the council of the judges, Baron Criminal, the Barons and the Gays, murdered ancestors, because you stole from them. You stole from the ancestors, right? So you were judged in the spiritual undercourse, and that's so above, so below. You will actually go to jail in the 3D, because in the spirit you're already captive. You don't have your mind anymore. You're losing everything. You're already in jail. I'm here to help you, okay? Like you were supposed to do me when you found out about this trust fund and you found out that they were trying to steal it. You weren't supposed to take a piece of the pot. You were supposed to help me. Whole time you knew they was finna murder me, and you are someone who is in the high courts of the law. I just seen, you know how people be in the Navy, right? I just seen somebody walk up to you, Venus, and rip your badge off. Okay? And rip your badge off. Luca is out here. What else do we have, Spirit? Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Changing habits in reverse. Bayman, Puerto Rico. I heard there's a witch doctor in Puerto Rico. You got ties in Puerto Rico? What else? Recognizable in everyday life. I don't really know what that has to do with anything other than this situation. I mean, yeah, I guess it does. It is recognizable in everyday life because these are people that play everyday roles in your life. The police officer, the doctor, the nurse, the lawyer. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, somebody's mad because, well, you mad, bitch. We talking to you, Venus. You're mad because I have a purpose and I know what it is. And you don't know what your purpose is. You're unhappy. The only reason why you're unhappy in law is because you abuse it. If you would have not strayed your path, they're bringing me back. I don't know why they making me do this fucking therapy session with your ass, Venus. I don't even like you no more, bitch. You trying to kill me. But anyways, they're showing me when you first got into law school and the passion that was there and the need to want to assist humanity and bring justice to those who have been hurt and harmed was there. That's where you fucked up at. When you lost that and it became about the money and no longer about the people, that's where you fucked up at. Okay? Look, they trying to write your story. That's what you did with this paperwork. You changed the Akashic records. So you're the one, Venus. Now you weren't the witch doctor that did it. You're just the physical hand. You were a puppet. You got spirits on you, so you just did it. And now you looking up like, how the fuck did I get here? Okay? Army, like I said, you going to the federal penitentiary. Okay? Spirit told you to cut this group of people off. And they said Marianne specifically. Let me get a drink of water. Mouth all dry. Shit, I've been talking for hours. Spirit told you to cut Marianne off when she told you the plan. And you was actually, for a second there, was going to do the right thing. And Spirit said that was also a test that you failed. Because you thought about it. They're showing me you sitting in a car and thinking about it. And then thinking about the amount of money that was involved with the situation, right? And you chose to go with the money because you thought like, well, shit, this could help me. Fuck her. It's just one person, you know? But anyways, yeah, you thought you was going to be in paradise, but you're not, okay? Your soul is going to remain dormant, okay? This is going to be on CNN, Venus. Get ready. You like to be in the spotlight. You like to be on TV. You want it to be a world famous lawyer, somebody, you know, known for law. You're going to be known for that, just not in the light that you thought you were going to be known in. Public humiliation for you as well. You're already being publicly humiliated. There's no good anything about your website, nothing. Okay? Let go and resist. Okay? The more you resist, Venus, the harder this shit is finna be. It's like when you get an ass whooping from your parent and you all clenched up and you trying to run and shit. Okay? So let go and allow whatever the fuck you orchestrated to play out. All right? Period. Stand up for yourself in reverse. So you didn't stand up for yourself. You didn't do the right thing. You took a leap of faith. It was the wrong leap of faith. Okay? You thought this was going to be easy, nice, cool breeze, but it turned out to be harder than you thought it was. Okay? What else out here, Spirit? Life changing for the better in reverse. Your life is not changing for the better. Okay? Something's going to happen here on the new moon, Venus. It's over. Okay? On the new moon. Your time is already up, so you can't like try to come up with a scam or a ritual to do or anything because you can't even fucking think straight. You're only going to be able to think straight long enough to understand what the fuck is going on in this 4-hour goddamn reading. Okay? And then you're going to go back to crazy land. All right? Pay attention to the animals in reverse. You did something with some type of animals, girl. And them animals done told on you, and these ancestors finna kick your ass. There was a cat. Is that a cat? I think it was a cat. I'm seeing something furry. Whatever the fuck it was that you sacrificed. There was another. Y'all keep fucking yourself up. There was another divine creature inside of that vessel. So one of these animals was also like a chosen one. I don't really know how to, like, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. When you master certain levels or whatever, you could be put into, you can choose whatever incarnation you want. You can come back as a fucking flower if you want to. You know what I'm saying? And then other people are put in like animal bodies for like punishment, like if they abuse animals and shit like that. I don't know what the fuck this has to do with anything, so I don't know if that's gonna be a punishment or not. On that note, I'm definitely 100% sure about everything else the fuck I said in this long ass reading, Venus. But that part right there, I don't know if that would be like a punishment for you or something. But there was an animal, one of the animals that y'all sacrificed, that y'all released, was actually an ancient spirit here as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, Ishu, you was tricked. Okay, y'all was tricked by Ishu. All right. What else? Vancouver, Washington. Okay, exclusive in reverse. Rainbow, Olodumare, divine infinite all. That's what that would translate to in Ifa, right? Okay, dog in reverse. Did y'all sacrifice a dog? Y'all did something to an animal. Okay, communication. You're going to receive a subpoena, Venus. All right? You're about to receive this subpoena. They're not going to let you cause any physical harm to yourself. Spirit is telling me that because they're saying that you're going to want to try to go ahead and off yourself. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, Venus. Look, sweetie. A serious situation at hand. You know how serious this is, and they're saying that you're going to try to off yourself or whatever. They're not going to let you. You're gonna end up paralyzed or whatever if you try to hurt yourself. You're gonna face judgment here, and you're gonna do it now. Okay, so yeah, Venus, I'm gonna tap on up out your energy, and I'll see you in court. Okay, and also your insanity plea will be denied. Okay, so you'll have to find another route. But I'll see you there. And tribe, thank you guys for sticking with me through this long ass reading. And thank you guys through aiding me through my healing process, because this is definitely a healing process. I feel great. I probably won't even go to bed tonight. I'll probably just stay up and make some music or something and get creative and tap into my own energies. I feel absolutely wonderful. So I love you guys. Truth Gang Gang. I'm out this bitch. 44.